of capability that the evidence simply does not support. Reducing the charge to accessory not only appropriates it, but it also is a legal incorrect outcome based on the facts that we're going to lay before you today.
Okay, so would the state like to provide its evidence, its arguments as to why they wishing to keep the charges of aiding and abetting for Mrs. Danvers?
We will. So originally on the incident itself, we gained eyes, or Mr. Winston was at the Sandy gym. He was there getting his daily gains in, to where he physically witnessed his car driving away without him inside. He then ran around Sandy in attempts to gain eyes on his vehicle. He was not successful at first until he went back to the station and got a vehicle out. And at that point, as he was driving out of the station, he witnessed the physical vehicle itself drive in front of him on Joshua Road. Officer Winston then proceeded to go ahead and give chase to where the point where standard police protocol, we take tires on stolen police vehicles. And then at that point, after around a 10-15-minute chase, the suspect of the physical driver itself jumped into the prison to where we physically were able to get the vehicle disabled. At that point, both individuals walked out. Riley Danvers stepped out with her hands up, and then she proceeded to tell us this. Officer Winston went up to Riley and asked, "Why did you steal my car?" Her response was, "I didn't steal your car." Winston then asked again, "Why do you think it was a good idea to get in a stolen police vehicle?" Her response is, "Because I needed a ride." She also states that I needed a ride and I didn't want to spend the money. She then states, "I didn't know it was a police car until the officer started shooting at us." The vehicle itself was damaged, but on the front right driver's side, the vehicle was still on track. The vehicle was not undercover. It was fully marked. It had sheriff and police livery all over it. It was clear as day a stolen police car, whether or not that the defendant thinks it's not. In addition to that, when it came down to physically pressing charges, we read through all of our physical charges itself to where we looked up at aiding and abetting. Aiding and abetting via the MDT is defined as the act of assigning or encouraging / inciting another person in the commission of a crime. And not once did Miss Danvers make a 911 call stating that she did not want to be a part of this, and that she didn't know it was a physical police car until she was outside the vehicle. She could have made a 911. She failed. In addition to that, the crimes that we have / charges that we have for accessory are ones that we do not deem fit that she committed. The accessories that we have is accessory to a violent crime that causes great bodily harm or murder, and we do not believe that she fit any of that criteria. In addition to that, we have accessory of a kidnapping of a government official. We do not believe that she physically did that, so that's why we charge her with aiding and abetting.
Okay. Right, Mr. Drugan, you can go ahead.
Yes, in rebuttal to what he said, I will first like to say before I call my witness up, Miss Danvers unfortunately was not at the scene when the vehicle was stolen. She was picked up a short time later. When the incident occurred, she was sitting in the back seat, which she'll testify to today. With that being said, we are asking for the judge and the state to look at adding accessory to the penal code and let my client be taken as far as with my client being charged with accessory, as she was not there to help with or force or encourage anyone to steal the truck on the original incident.
Okay.
At this time, I would like to call Miss Danvers to the stand.
Mrs. Danvers, if you want to go to... Actually, I don't know if you have a microphone on these sides. To be installed. Right.
She can do it from here if you want, Your Honor.
Yes, for today we'll do it from there. She can talk to the microphone there. Dan, or Harry in this case, if you'd like to question at any point, Mrs. Danvers, feel free to as well. Anything you pick up on, you are more than welcome. You don't need to be pre-prepared for your questions. In regards to a witness, you can go up and ask her anything once the defense is done. Okay? All right, go ahead, Mr. Jugan.
All right, Miss Danvers. Standing before you as the court today, you swear that everything I'm going to ask you is true and to your knowledge?
I do.
Okay. Can you recall the events that took place the day of the arrest, when you were in the patrol vehicle that was shot at where the driver was downed?
I can.
All right, please, in your words, describe what happened on January 18th of 2026.
Okay, so I had been going back and forth from the foundry that my friend owns and the mine, and I needed a ride because I did not want to keep paying the prices for the train station. So I called up my friend and I asked him, hey, can you give me a ride? And he said, sure. He said, hang on for a few moments. I'm gonna go and get a car. I said, okay, I'll be where, I'll be right here. And I was standing outside of the that little mechanic shop really close by the train station. So I waited there, and then he showed up with this lifted truck, and he said, look at my new ride, look at my new livery, look at everything. I duked this thing up. You want to go for a joyride? So I said, okay. I just need to go to the train station so I can go back up to Roxwood, to put stuff away. So he took me and driven me, and we were taking sort of the hills, the dunes, and we were headed to the train station in Sandy. So I got out, I was in the back seat, having a fun time. And then he said, hey, I gotta go pick up my other friend too. Maybe he'd like to see this too. I'm like, okay, just drop me off. And so he basically, by the time I got to the Sandy train station, the cop just started shooting at us. And he was not shooting at the tires, he was shooting at us. And I ducked behind the seat, and my friend took off, and it was just like, it was completely like, just shoot, crash into this, that, and I didn't think anything other than just ducking and, just trying to stay alive because the officer was shooting at us. And eventually, my friend, I don't know what the fuck he was thinking, just vaulted into the prison, and then it was like, the officers just kept shooting. And I'm not gonna jump out of a car, and I'm not gonna, I'm getting shot at. And eventually the car came to a stop, and I realized that I had been shot several times. I was feeling woozy and tired, and when the officers, told me to get out, I got out, I complied, and I told them, hey, my friend just offered me a joyride to the train station, and then they took us down to the hospital, they got us medical, I was feeling better, and then they took us down to the station. And I told the officer several times what happened, that my friend had offered me a ride to the train station so I could, not spend as much money. But he had to pick his friend up there. And when it comes to the car, like, I thought it was his, because I've seen it several times, people running around with these lifted trucks and everything. And I thought the officers were, still using their 80s cars.
Okay, is that the end of your statement, Mrs. Danvers?
Yes.
Okay, would anyone of the state like to ask questions? You can.
We will like
Okay.
to ask questions.
Go ahead. You can stay where you are. Obviously, there's a microphone. One person talking at a time, though, please.
Yeah, sounds good. All right. So as you stated earlier, Miss Danvers, you said that you ducked his or shots being fired, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And then I would like to ask, how does that limit you in physically making a 911 call stating that you do not want to be a part of this, or you want to get out, or giving us any sort of recognition that you aren't there to assist and encourage in these crimes?
I was being shot at. The last thing on my mind was, doing anything else other than ducking behind the car seat, trying to stay out of the way of the shots being fired at us.
Okay. In addition to that, you stated multiple times that he encouraged you and you were going on a joyride, correct?
Yeah, he's the one that said that. Basically, he said, hey, I want to show you my new ride, basically.
Okay. And according to Webster Dictionary, a joyride is classified as a ride taking the pleasure, and especially in an automotive vehicle that is reckless driving, as in a stolen car. Did you never maybe get the hint that maybe it wasn't his car, and that it was in fact indeed a stolen police car that was marked completely, that had police, its lights, it was not decommissioned, it had everything on it, it was fully marked?
No, because several other people I've seen with the exact same truck, and they're not officers of the law. And I've also seen other vehicles that have like patrol in them. Like, I don't know what's police livery and what's not. Like, several other people have always like, which police car is this? Like, I've got no bloody idea. I'm not a police officer.
Okay. And then you're bringing up that the fact that there's a car that looks very, very similar to our police lifted vehicle. Do you know exactly what car that is?
At the time, I didn't. I thought you guys were still using the 80s cars.
Okay, understandable. But at the same time, the only car that comes to mind that looks exactly like ours lifted is a sand dune or a sand king. And to my knowledge, I don't see anybody driving those when I'm out on patrol.
I mean, I don't know cars.
Is that
And then I
everything?
would like to ask one more thing. So when you first pulled up to Sandy, the Sandy mechanic,
We didn't.
what vehicle, what was the shape of the vehicle? Or when you physically first got into it, what was the shape of the vehicle? Not shape, but like, was it damaged?
The vehicle was damaged, yeah, when I got into it to begin with.
Okay, and what
then-
exactly, what part of it was damaged?
I think the back end? I'm not entirely sure. Like, I wasn't really, like, sort of thinking. Like,
Which one?
I just was, happy for the ride. But
And
the
adding on
ride.
to that,
Go ahead.
if you're proclaiming that the back end was the one part damaged on the side of the vehicle, it clearly says sheriff, and then police, call 911, etc. Does that not discourage you from getting in? Or maybe saying, is this a police car?
Objection leading.
Accepted. Yes. You can ask your question in a different manner. Done.
Okay, so our current Sandy fleet, the vehicles that we use in Sandy, are marked as sheriff units. And all of our vehicles that are patrolled up in Sandy clearly say sheriff on it. Did that vehicle say sheriff on the side?
How would I know that it's a police vehicle? I mean, I literally had only seen officers and the police, the ones from the city. I'd never seen that car before.
Understandable, but at the same time, the police vehicles that we used before we got our new fleet were completely said the same thing, said sheriff on the side.
How the fuck am I supposed to know what liver you
I have no further
guys use?
questions, Your
I'm not
Honor.
an officer.
Anything more, Dan? You're more than welcome to ask more questions.
If Harry doesn't have any, I don't believe I have any at this time.
What do you say, Dan? Sorry, my thing cut out.
I said if Harry doesn't have anything, which I did believe.
Harry,
just
would
said
you have
he
anything to
doesn't,
ask?
No, I'll go for myself.
Okay. Is that everything you guys want to bring up on both sides?
One last thing I'll bring up, Your Honor.
Yes.
Given with the evidence that has been presented here today, my client has stated time and time again that she's not contesting the arrest. She's not contesting any of that. She's contesting her involvement. And Dan Gunter provided the exact definition of aiding or abetting. And unfortunately, she did not encourage the driver to steal or help him steal the vehicle to begin with. She was just an innocent bystander within the vehicle itself.
Are we able to say something?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
I'm just
so
reading documents at the same time.
Once again, the charge was not physically theft of that vehicle, grand theft auto of a police vehicle. It was the fact that she was inside and she partake and the physical escape itself. By getting in joyride, as stated before, the definition by Webster is joyride is a ride taken for pleasure, and especially in an automotive vehicle marked by reckless driving. That was indicated multiple times. Not once did she physically say anything to officers to say she didn't want to be any part of this. She never gave us any sort of reason to she had no affiliation with the crime itself. And in addition to that, at the time of the arrest, there's no physical accessory charge, and that's why we charge her with aiding and abetting it, because we believe that is fit for the crimes that were committed.
Can I ask
Mr. Jugan? Go ahead.
Can I ask Miss Danvers? Miss Danvers, do you know what joyride stands for? The Webster's dictionary of it?
No.
Okay. So my client does not know what the Webster's dictionary definition of joyride is. So she just said joyride.
May I ask a question to Mrs. Danvers? Mrs. Danvers, for you, what does joyride mean?
Just getting in somebody's car and just, taking off, having fun. Just, getting to see the sights. Drive around.
Okay. Anything State would like to add on to Mrs. Danvers asking her? Anything? This is the time to do it. I'm just saying.
Give me 1 second.
No worries. Would you guys like a recess of a few minutes? It's not a problem.
Yeah. Could we get maybe like a few minutes real quick?
Yep. Okay. Right. We're going to be doing a 5-minute recess. Everybody, please take a break. Go outside. Take some air. Do what you need to. See you
Do you
soon.
have toilets?
You are not my mum.
Somewhere. I don't know where.
What you should
Meet
be
back here
trying
in
to
5 minutes. We shall continue for more questions if needed.
You
have your arm strapped. What are you gonna do about it?
I'll fucking murder you.
I got a question.
I will
Justin,
What are you gonna
Buddy.
do? Hold on. What are you gonna do?
I can't hear a thing if you guys
I can't. Come on,
Tommy, you hearing this?
Tickle his nose so he can't scratch it. Tickle his nose.
Oh yeah,
just
tickle his nose. Tickle his nose. Yeah. Tickle his nose.
Listen, I can beat you without even touching you.
Tickle his nose.
Oh God. Oh God.
Hi, Echo. Oh, I was gonna say we could use a conference room, but
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
I reckon as well. It seems to be going well, but if you play off the angle that you've not had an offence before this and you're EMS,
Well, yeah, I am gonna
job.
Yeah, I am gonna play that into it. I haven't. The thing is, we still have a closing statement to make. So
100%, yeah.
The fact
No,
that she hasn't had her record's been clean. She hasn't had anything. And this is her first arrest is a felony, first of all, and second of all, the state is the problem with the state is they're trying to placate this whole arrest. We're not talking about the arrest. We're talking about the charges. We're setting a precedent within the state. We want accessory to be added.
No, 100%.
It's not added right now. The only thing they have for accessory is crimes against people, and that's it. So we're trying to stop this BS of aiding and abetting when somebody was in the backseat of a vehicle.
No, I'm with you. Me and Chris have been charged with that fucking 100.
Exactly.
So that was my first question: is how is it aiding and abetting if she was not the driver?
I mean,
That's
and
exactly
why are they
If she was
they
there when the vehicle was
he said
stolen.
he even said she helped with the evasion. How? From the back seat?
how did I help
How?
from the back seat? Like, why
why
didn't
why
I
did-
make a 911
why
call?
didn't you-
I'm not
you were
thinking when I'm
holding
being
your shit
shot
handle.
at.
That's it. You were holding the horse or shit handle and hoping for the best is what you were
And
doing.
you were scared. You couldn't call 911 when you were being shot at actively. So
Actively at officers, like,
Yep.
I have no money.
Exactly.
What do you
It's
mean I
simple.
have $1?
and to the fact that if they do ask, like, he was about to drop me off right at the train station when the officer pulled up and just started shooting. Like, no talking or hey, stop, put your hands up or get out of the vehicle was ever said. Like, there was no, and I'm not about to jump out of a moving car.
okay.
Like-
Well, like I said, I think as long as we put the whole you're gonna go into that you weren't there at the start. So that's the problem that I have. The police car was stolen. You were not physically present when the police car was stolen. Therefore, you did not act in the assisting or encouraging of inciting another person in the commission of a crime. You did not tell somebody to steal that car.
No,
That's
and
You didn't tell him
that's
to
what's on
evade
trial
either.
here.
no, like, quite literally, they don't have the proof of that.
So
And I didn't do it either.
let's
So
go back in and prepare for the closing statements.
Okay.
I think the state knows they're kind of screwed right now, and they're just trying to cover.
But asking me what the Websters.
Fuck Matilda!
I...
pull it down.
Now we're outside.
Okay.
Fuck off, Matilda. You fuck about, you find out.
Jesus Christ. Are you good?
They gotta move these chairs back a little bit here.
Wait,
This thing is
legs.
ridiculous.
I know.
You're a little fat.
Been fishing. How long have you been fishing for?
Right. I am just gonna remind both parties. I'm quietly talking here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
Regards to the legislation, point number 8 on the vehicle crimes. You guys, as defense, must prove the person did not assist or encourage in the criminal act itself for aiding and abetting. Right.
Has it been 5 minutes?
Yes.
Also, that they were not aware or involved in the crime. Big
Senate,
point there,
answer the
right?
phone.
Yeah.
That's
Hello.
Yeah, my closing
point there.
statement will cover a lot of this.
Okay. I said they're probably gonna ask a few more questions. I'm just letting you guys aware. I'm gonna make them aware as well. Regards, just reminding you guys of the article.
Yep.
Like,
That's what we're
needs
trying
to
to
be
prove. That's what we're trying to prove.
That on my end as a judge, I'm a little concerned, Mrs. Danvers, on one of your arguments. Is
which
the
one?
not knowing it's a PD car seems a little bit odd, in my opinion.
Well, because I had been nothing but doing the mine or doing trucking. Like, I
I get that, but
literally.
the insignia of the vehicle and the livery does label itself as a police.
Murphy, how many deliveries has the city had since its founding several years ago?
Yes, and it's changed many times, but I believe you've been around in the last few months to see the latest ones.
No, I haven't.
And just, labeling something police. Civilians don't tend to have a vehicle that says police on it.
Yeah,
that's all
they
I'd like
did.
to say, Jugan, just for you.
There was one that had police
yeah.
on it.
What are you doing
There
on the floor
actually
here?
there is one.
There
There
is.
is one.
I was
It's going to be
eavesdropping.
part of my.
My bad.
There
Yeah, I
is
know which
one.
one
It's going to
you're
be
talking
part
about.
of. It's going to be part of my closing
No
statement
problem.
as well.
Okay, that's good. No worries.
Yep.
I was just giving you that bit,
That's
like.
yeah.
The
talking
Cause,
to this
RH6 and
other-
Can I
and
defend her as
RH5
well?
can actually
Not allowed
put
on the-
lights
any
on
more
them.
any more disrupting, and you're gonna be
Yeah.
sent out.
I mean, and may I
So
point
I'm
out that
not
up until
disruptive.
this point, when
You
it actually
said,
happened.
Fuck you.
No, I said
Yeah.
that in
You're
recess.
screaming at me.
It's all
Wow.
one, brother. I just want to touch the green carpet.
I went on the green carpet. It felt nice.
I'm not touching it.
Murphy,
Look at this. Look at this.
can I touch it just?
Oh,
Can I touch it just one time?
oh sorry.
No.
Oh.
If you do that, you're getting charged with
I tried to run to
trespass
his thing.
on government property.
I'm
Do
gonna
it.
touch it.
Murphy, can you be a judge with a criminal record?
What?
Can you be like a reformed judge with a criminal record?
Oh, she's touching it. She's touching it.
Pushing me.
The only way you'd be able to is if you get expunged.
Do we have prices for expungement?
Expungements vary case per case.
Okay,
and-
so if it's
and
just like
charge
petty
per
theft.
charge. If you have just a petty
Lauren,
theft
yours would
charge,
be
it's
a
easily
lot.
expunged.
Oh,
Right, I'm gonna go look for the other party. Take care.
Matilda's there.
Why does he walk like that?
Matilda.
Oh, Ralph and Matilda sitting next to each other in court.
You fucking touch me, I will tear your limbs off. You understand?
Oh, yes, master. What are you doing?
I touched
Fucking-
the green.
Acrobatics.
I don't like it.
I touched it, Smithy.
What did you touch?
I touched the green stuff.
Did you?
Get it, Eka! Get it!
Ow! I'm in danger. Help me, I'm in danger.
Why are you in a straitjacket?
I don't know.
No, don't you mean why has it taken this long to get? in the
Yeah, exactly.
straitjacket?
No, why is he in a straitjacket?
Echo.
It put
Echo,
himself
you're
in
gonna
it.
get contempt. I'm just telling you.
I've got a question.
Something like that.
Yeah, it's
Hello.
not allowed to
Yeah.
touch people.
Do
It's
you
only
know if I
allowed to
can
touch
potentially
himself.
ask the judge a question, like once all this is sorted, everyone's gone?
Probably. I don't know.
Because I've
Which Harry?
I put in
This
some
one right
emails
here.
Oh, don't worry,
saying,
that's all part of it.
I'm
trying
wiggling
to
myself.
control it
I'm
and
pointing at him. Oh, this is
He did
Smithy, never
respond
mind.
saying like, give me time.
Echo, just to let you know,
I know
content
which one
is
it is.
like an
But
expensive
then
one.
like nothing
Could
for
he-
like a few days.
Rebecca!
Could he ask him now to say, can I ask you a quick question?
Good
No,
luck.
I'm gonna
Thank
do it,
you.
like, once
Bottled.
everything's calmed down
Oh, okay.
and
Yeah, just make sure you get in before he goes back
They'll
to his
be here
chambers.
in
yeah.
a minute and a half,
Oh, a minute,
and a
go
little
for
bit
it.
more
Quickly,
time.
just shout. Just shout.
and then we shall
Say,
get
"Judge."
going again.
Mr. Murph.
Your
move.
Honor, can I ask you a question real quick?
Go ahead.
Oh my god.
I'm so
Um,
sorry. It was
Can I
fucking
talk
trouble out
in
there.
private actually about this?
Ask him how
Not
much
the moment or
his
time.
clothing's worth.
You can send an email to doj@redline.net.
Hold on, let me try and reach over and grab
He
you.
has sent several emails with no replies, is what he told me.
If you're talking about a lawyer interview, they're being processed. There's many applications. They're getting
You're
slow
in
and
my
stuff.
seat.
There's a lot of them.
Lose your seat.
Okay, no, move.
Lauren, can you feed me?
I will lose my
No.
bar card. Don't test me on this one.
No,
This is my lady up
Matilda,
here.
can you feed Ralph, please?
Fucking touch me, I will
Guys,
have
can we
you
have
arrested.
Order in the courtroom, please. Take seats. Please act maturely.
She's gonna baby bird you.
Be quiet as well. Thank you.
My war paint.
CJ, I'm not
Get the
asking
fuck
again.
away from me. Leave me alone.
Sit next to my associate.
Right.
CJ,
Mrs.
get out of my
Straightjacket and
damn
lady with the
spot.
purple hair. This is your final warning.
I'm sitting down, I'm trying.
I understand, but you two are causing commotion.
I'm sitting
Fucking
over here.
commotion. I don't know.
Can you not stand still
Are you comfy there?
with the straitjacket? Can you just? Do you not know how to stand still? Thank you.
No, it's called autism and ADHD, and I'm going to sit still for you, Your Honor.
Oh.
My leg.
All right, I'm gonna ask for the to come back to the courtroom, please. Thank you. Right, same thing as we did before. We're gonna continue this court case from where we left it off. We're gonna start with the state. Does the state want to start off with anything? Anything new? Any more questions? Anything you want to do? Do you want to ask the witness anything?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and start off with asking Miss Danvers again
Okay.
a few
Mrs.
questions.
Danvers, if you may stand up. Thank you. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so you indicated multiple times that you did not know that that was physically a marked vehicle, correct? You didn't know that it was a commissioned cop car.
I did not know that it was a commissioned cop car.
Okay, so when it comes down to that, willful blindness is the fact that there was an MDT inside, there was a cage, there was police markings all around the side. Willful blindness states it's just the fact that she didn't catch on to the fact that it is an actual marked police car and it is a commissioned police car.
There's supposed to be a question there.
Would you like to
Your Honor,
reformulate your statement there, Dan?
Yeah.
No worries, because I think the way you said it was more like a statement rather than a question.
Yes.
Go ahead. Anything you want to say, Jugan, or you're waiting on
Yes,
Dan?
Your Honor, I would like to point out to the court that there is several vehicles within the state that do have an LSPD livery, and they are civilian vehicles, as well as this vehicle is a very high, jacked up pickup truck that, unbeknownst to most people within the city, would not have known that this vehicle exists if they hadn't seen the new fleet of PD vehicles, as this thing is extremely lifted. And it does resemble one of a Sand King. And who knows if a Sand King can have a livery that has something similar to like the LSPD vehicle that says LSPD delivery, but it has lights on top of it, and it's actually a pizza delivery vehicle.
Okay. The state, would you like to say anything? Again, I'm just going to remind everybody for the state, you're allowed to object at any point if you feel like you need to object as well. Harry, you know really good objection terms. Dan, you can continue.
Yeah. We're going to...
We can't hear you.
Dan, are you good?
Yeah. So I'm going to reformulate the question that I just asked. We do not believe that willful blindness is able to be used in this situation. There was a livery, was there not?
Mrs. Danvers, you know, answer the question.
I mean, I don't know what livery it really was. Whether it was police pieces. So, Sheriff,
If I may, I'm just gonna say, can you? It's more of a yes or no question here. The question was there a livery? It's a yes or no question.
I don't know.
Was there also a light bar on top?
I don't
Objection,
know.
Your Honor.
What's your objection?
As I've stated previous, this this question, I've already stated that there is vehicles within the state that have a light bar on top of it that are civilian vehicles.
Can I speak on this? Or no?
Overruled in this case. That's just a yes or no question. It's not asking the question is there's multiple cars with light bars. He's asking if this vehicle has a light bar, yes or no.
If you're asking if this specific vehicle, the one that I was seen in the backseat of at this time, I don't remember. Like, I was literally just asking for a ride.
Your Honor, if I may, what is the... We're here to dispute the charge of aiding and abetting. My client was not there when the vehicle was stolen. We are not questioning whether she was in the vehicle, if she knew the vehicle or not. We're actually here for accessory. Trying to get accessory added to the penal code within the state. She was not there at the commission of the crime. That's what we're trying to establish here. We've proved that she was not there when the vehicle was stolen.
Anything you'd like to say, Dan?
Yeah. So our intent with these questions are to bring out the fact that it was a police vehicle involved and that it wasn't one of these local vehicles. To add to this, because she's proclaimed that she didn't have any accessory to this crime. But we are also sorry, I had to...
No worries. Go ahead. If you can answer basically the question on how is the questions you're asking relevant to the case that you're trying to sustain aiding and abetting charges on Riley Danvers. Mr. Dugan, I will remind there's two parts to this case. There's one, the inexistence of accessory in the penal code, and two, that the PD want to sustain the charge of aiding and abetting on Riley Danvers. Through these questions, they need to prove this through certain amounts of questions and that are relevant to the case. You can ask how they're relevant. Obviously, Mr. Dan, in this case, the question towards you is how are your questions relevant to affirming that the aiding and abetting charge is sustainable?
Your Honor.
Just a second, Mrs. Danvers. Dan, if you may.
Yes, Your Honor. So when it comes down to the aiding and abetting charge, we are more so arguing the fact that it was a willful entry into that vehicle. There was no forced entry in the fact that the vehicle, and that the fact that she was encouraging and pushing them on the evasion of not at once wasn't noted that she wanted the individual that was driving to pull over and settle the situation.
Your Honor, objection. What's the relevance of that?
Dan, relevance? You can explain.
Because it's aiding and abetting an invasion.
How did she willfully assist and encourage another person to commit a crime? She didn't tell him to steal the car.
She never told him to stop, and the fact that she got in for a quote-unquote joyride, yes, she might know the exact definition of what a joyride is, but according to Webster Dictionary, as stated before.
Okay. In this case, I'll just, for the matter of the case, just have more on the grounds. Obviously, it's a first court hearing. I'm going to overrule the objection for now. I do hear your point, Tommy.
No
anything else the state would like to ask or add to, or ask Mrs. Danvers, add any evidence, any more statements, anything?
Yeah, so Ms. Danvers, as you stated earlier, you were in the back seat, correct?
Yes.
Was there a cage in front of you?
Objection, Your Honor. What's the relevance for this?
Sorry, I didn't hear your question, Dan. Can you repeat?
Yeah, so I asked her if there was a physical cage inside of that vehicle. Was there a metal
Your
bar
Honor,
in
we're
front of
trying to prove whether or not this was aiding or abetting. We're not trying to prove whether we already established that she's admitted to the crime.
I'll sustain the objection. It's not necessarily relevant to the factor. Was she actively participating in the crime? If that makes sense. We already went over the information of knowledge as a PD vehicle multiple times. I'll sustain the objection. Another question, Dan, if you will.
Yeah. So
that doesn't involve the looks of the car. We're over that.
So my next question is, did he once state that the vehicle was his?
Yes, he did. He stated that the vehicle was his and that he had recently bought it and he wanted to show it off.
Anything else done?
Not at this time.
Anything you want to add, Mr. Jugan?
Yes, Your Honor. The facts of the case is this. Miss Danvers is a decent, upstanding member of society. Up until this, she's had a clean record. She happened to get caught in the back seat of a vehicle that happened to have been stolen prior to her knowledge of it being stolen. The driver stated that it was his vehicle, so she went along with it. We know that there's PD vehicles that can be decommissioned. Is anybody owning in the state? I don't know that for a fact, and I can't prove that there is. We also know that there are vehicles within the state that have an LSPD and giant signs on the side of the vehicle with a light bar on top. They are civilian vehicles. Unfortunately, my client today was not there at the time of the robbery or the theft of the vehicle. Therefore, she did not act in assisting or encouraging in the person of a commission of a crime. She was just an innocent bystander in the backseat of a vehicle who got caught on the wrong side of the law.
Okay, is that your statement done?
Yes.
Any last statement from, well, the state? Any last arguments you'd like to make before a decision's made for a few minutes? I sit down, go for all your arguments, note down things, and just see what the outcome could be.
Yes, Your Honor. I think our final statement really is, while a lot of our questions here were about Miss Danvers' knowledge and understanding of what kind of vehicle she was willfully getting into, the point of relevance around that is the whole fact that there was enough there, and she cannot claim a willful ignorance of not understanding that that is a police vehicle, because while Mr. Jurgen says that there are civilian vehicles that have light bars and liveries, they do not specifically say things like sheriff. They do not have an MDT. They do not have a cage. And outside of that, our argument for sustaining the idea that she gets aiding and abetting is that she willingly got into that vehicle, and not once did she attempt or even try to get out of it once it was pursued by police. And thus, at that point, she is willfully and encouraging that evasion from said suspect.
Can I ask? Yeah, go ahead.
I have one thing to ask. At any point in time, if this was you, and somebody was shooting at you, would you have jumped out of a vehicle going high speeds?
No one said anything about jumping out of a vehicle, but she did not seem to willingly want to ask her friend to stop the vehicle so she
How
could
do
get
you know?
out.
How do you know she wasn't begging him?
Yeah, it was asked.
I don't think that was asked. She was cowering in the back of the truck. We've established that.
Nobody ever asked.
How can you put a phone call on a
we-
PD? How can you put a phone call on a PD when you're being shot at?
I mean, listen, it's not our fault your client cannot read.
Right.
It's not your fault.
Objection.
Yep.
Objection.
Badgering.
Sustained.
That's bad. Yeah.
Yeah, we like it.
Yeah, and that one, but you know which one that one is.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah,
which one that one is, right? That one
yeah.
is sustained. All right. No more. Anything more to add? Until I take a few minutes here. Go for everything.
I will. The last thing I will say is we understand that there is no full accessory within the penal code of the state. What we are asking for is today set a precedent within the state of San Andreas, within the city of Los Santos, that we can add this into the penal code at some point in time, and that my client's charges be dropped to accessory, because she does admit that she was in the vehicle and is taking full blame for that.
So, if I may, in regards to accessory, obviously there's two topics in this court hearing. One is the addition of a charge and a new point in the penal code. 2 is the aiding and abetting. It's not we're going to create a new charge and then she's going to be given that charge because it doesn't exist at the current time. That's not something we can do. The current argument you're making is to drop the charge of aiding and abetting, which is what we talked about before. Not changing it to a crime, to a point that does not exist at this time. That we cannot do that. However, the argument you are making is to drop aiding and abetting, is what I understood from you prior to this court hearing.
We
So
want to
what
drop
you're just
aiding
saying
and
is kind
abetting.
of contradicting what you told me half an hour ago.
No, we want to drop aiding and abetting.
Okay, but then you said, oh, to get accessory just now.
Well, eventually we'd like to have it added to the penal code.
Yes, that is that's what I mean. There's 2 topics to this court hearing. It's the need of accessory as a charge and your clients, the charge of aiding and abetting in regards to your clients. Okay, we're done of you. Last chance for state. Anything you want to add? Yep.
So going into this case, the original subpoena was brought in, and our understanding was the fact that they wanted to drop it to accessory.
Yes.
So now,
which is
20 minutes
again the main point of the case. It's for her to drop accessory. That's why I was just asking the question. It's not to give her a different charge. It is to drop accessory this whole hearing. The only other thing is concerns that were brought up, which I've talked with Mr. K and Mr. Jugan as well at one point, is the lack of accessory in our code, which is something we will be adding in regards to other situations, not this. I'm talking about other situations.
Yes.
So we wanted was for them to put it in.
Yes, Dan? You guys are tweaking over there? You guys good? What's going on?
Sorry.
You good? You good?
My throat is killing me.
Norris, you have something to say?
Yeah.
Or are we okay?
Okay, what's going on?
We're not. Rodney, what's up?
Okay. In addition to the accessory, it should be accessory after the fact.
Again, that's to be discussed after, not right now. State anything else before we go for a little small recess again? Mr. Dan?
Yeah. So the whole point of this, to our knowledge, was the fact to move the charge from aiding and abetting to accessory, which doesn't exist. Which
yes, so it's dropping the charge. It's what's being argued. Obviously, I need to go for all the arguments you guys have made.
You okay, further then? Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, I'm just making sure you're good.
No,
Looks like you're about to pass out, man.
Who knows?
Yes, I will just say, after decisions made in regards to the current case, I will need to sit down with Mr. Jugan and Mr. K regards to other topics that I have written down and need to discuss with you guys, okay? Just once, is that okay?
Sure thing, Your Honor.
No worries.
Yes, we're going to take a 4-minute recess. At 10 past, everyone come back, okay? Right, see you all in a few minutes.
I'm staying here.
Does anyone want any liver?
How do you think we did?
What? Honestly, I think we did good. There was a lot of miscues on the state side that they don't understand.
Yeah.
They're arguing the fact of the arrest, and we're not here for the arrest. We're here for the charges that were given to you. At the end of the day, they're not understanding that part of it.
And the fact that I'm only one-eyed.
They tried speculation as well. Saying
and not asking me stuff like.
Well, they were speculating that you weren't speaking in the car, speculating on what you were saying in the car.
Instead of asking me.
Exactly.
Well, that's why I said you don't know what was being said in the backseat of that car.
they never asked.
You know.
I was actually telling him to stop, but
can't believe they said that you couldn't read.
You know, Wade. I know, like. It's like.
Don't you worry, Riley. I think Tommy's got this.
Yeah, beautiful.
I already have only one eye, and then to say I can't read. I mean.
Oh, he broke cuffs.
Doesn't actually.
Oh, get him.
The basis of aiding and abetting. They just gave her that charge because there isn't a charge for what she did.
Yeah,
I think it's stupid that there's no charge for it.
Yeah, it's falsely charging somebody with something because in this case, as well, if you were to really look at it, if there's not a charge for it, they should have brought it up to the judge.
I mean, technically, it's not It's not fighting false charges. It's more upcharging.
Well, it's still a false charge because she didn't aid and abet.
She wasn't there for the initial crime. That's the problem I have an issue with. If she was there for the initial crime, it would be different, but she wasn't.
If you've already proved
say-
that
if
she
they heard her
wasn't there
actively
for the
shout
original
or go for
beginning
it or
of the
whatever
crime,
as well.
then there is no crime that they can charge with.
Exactly.
I mean, if you've already proved it, they have no case on it.
Yeah, that's
This in the
why
bag.
I'm telling you, it's
Oh.
doing a false charge. That charge in itself should have never been charged because there wasn't a charge for what she did.
Exactly.
In this case, if they noticed that, they should have made an immediate plea to the judge.
Yeah, but they
Just
tried,
going
like
through
you
the
said,
points that you guys
speculating. The
I
fact
was gonna
that they
say,
didn't hear her
there
say
were some more
anything.
points you guys could have made that you didn't.
If they did hear her shout
It's fine.
or whatever, I
You
agree with
probably
them,
have
then
some
fair
points that
enough.
I do
But
that
they
there's
didn't
some
even
things
do
you could have
that.
brought up extra that weren't brought up. Argument-wise, Tommy had a lot of arguments. You guys had a lot of arguments, but I'm just saying, just so you're aware.
Can I ask a very simple question?
Okay, I'm gonna let you back out. I'll come out with a decision.
Why did Mr. K and
I'll
Dan
mention
walk
why
into
for you guys, for her,
there
or
without
whatever.
you present?
Finishing.
I don't know why.
Tommy, do you want to just come this way, sir?
Yeah, they need you.
Who the fuck is Ben?
Yeah, they're probably gonna try to go for some type of deal.
Oh my days.
Oh, I'm sure.
Can I get the livers?
Honestly, in my humble
they're gonna be able to
opinion,
go on, because
my
it's a
humble
problem when
opinion,
there's
just
no-
fucking, just take all the charges, drop the charges, give a fine, done deal.
I mean, she's already taken a fine. I mean, in this case, I mean, she spent time in jail.
You will have to go and clock back on.
But in that case, it's failure on their part. It's a false charge. They didn't have a charge to charge her with, so they just picked the charge to make it stick.
She's not the first, and she's probably not the last.
Hopefully I can talk.
I used to get done with it in the bed just for being a passenger all the time.
That's why I need
So, trust me, I've argued my fair share of aiding and abetting.
Hello, Chris. You've had aiding and abetting just for being a passenger.
Time.
Yep.
Wait, where's Chris?
Is there?
Yeah, he's right there in the suit.
Where?
To my right.
I have them. I picked them up so they wouldn't let
I
us
can't see Chris anywhere.
He's literally right to my right. That's Chris right there.
Where's Chris?
Yeah. Right here, fucker.
Who are you?
Oh, Harry, I fell over you.
All right, CJ. Let me do this one more time.
That was easier fall for me. It's fine.
Oh.
Oh. How are you doing? What the hell?
Why
Well,
are you naked? Oh, hi,
This is
Chris.
This is who
Matilda.
I am. This
This
is
is
who I
Matilda.
am. Okay.
yes,
Hi, Chris. How you doing?
Matilda.
Oh my god, you ate all that chocolate cake, didn't you?
Hey, Harry, does this guy bring back memories?
Harry, wow.
Wait, which guy?
Guess
Hello,
who's back?
hello.
Back
Everyone
again.
take a seat, please. Please take a seat.
Right.
Order in the courtroom, please. Take a seat. Thank you.
He's banging his hammer.
Yes, I will.
Because
Do you want me to do it again?
He
There you
was
go.
dragging
You're
his hammer.
welcome, Joey.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Right. If both the defense and the state may stand up.
I'm neither of them.
You're neither. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know. You're one of the parties. So, thank you both, by the way, for your time and your argument. It's been a pleasure. Obviously, this is the first official court hearing. Bit rusty on my end. You know, you guys as well maybe had a little bit of pressure on some parts. Thank you all for attending. Thank you for everyone that's in the back attending as well. To the first case. So, regards to the case of Mrs. Danvers wanting to remove the charge of aiding and abetting for a charge that does not exist, obviously, that's something that she cannot be reduced to charge. It would be removal full on of the charge we're discussing. The state had to prove that she was indeed aiding and abetting in a crime. The defense had to argue that she wasn't.
Come on.
I'm just going to read something out for the entire
Please.
courtroom, and I'm going to explain certain points. So for aiding and abetting, assisting or encouraging someone to commit crime, participating in the crime in a way that helps the person committing it. The prosecution arguments have to be related to the person's encouraging, facilitating, or directly assisting in the commission of the crime. The defense's arguments would be something that the person did not assist or encourage the criminal act. They were not aware or involved in the crime. That is just regards to both the arguments that have to be made. In this situation, did her presence in the vehicle help the driver commit the crime? That's my perspective here. Did her presence in the vehicle help the driver commit the crime? That's off what I'm having to go off here and the legislation. Was she in any way encouraging it, facilitating it, or assisting it? When she was on foot, she didn't run. She didn't drive the car. She didn't fight. She didn't warn anybody per se. She didn't give directions. And made evident by the defense in this case, she complied immediately after the fact when she got out of the vehicle. There was immediate compliance. So regards to all the evidence provided by both the state and the defense in this case, I do have a few points. I say there are some things that maybe were not too smart. One thing I will say is ignorance is not an excuse regards to knowing it's a PD vehicle. However, Mr. Jugan did say there is vehicles that can resemble police cars. I believe this was done around the time that the vehicles were imported to the PD. So, you know, there has been presence prior of some, I think it's like some sort of elegy that looks like a police vehicle that is a very questionable livery, if I may ask anyone using it. There could have been similar situations of other police vehicles. It's not very smart, yes, but it doesn't necessarily class as aiding and abetting there. It's bad judgment, if I may say. So regards to all the arguments that were made, I will have to rule in favor of Mr. Jugan as it fails to fill in the charge of aiding and abetting. However, this would fill into something as accessory after the fact or accessory, which is something we do not have in the penal code that she cannot get charged with. So at this time, we're going to ask for the aiding and abetting charge to be dropped. And what I want to discuss with Mr. Harry and Tommy in the office after this is regards to the accessory charges to be made existing. So that is what is being done. The court ruled in favor of Mrs. Danvers in this hearing. Thank you all very much for your time. Thank you very much to everybody for attending. Thank you very much to the state. Thank you very much, Tommy. You know, regardless of outcomes, I do appreciate. Dan, you did great. No pressure, brother. I know it was a lot of pressure. I mean, but, you know, you did good. You did good, man.
Yeah,
Don't
good
worry.
job, Dan.
It was the first hearing. Mr. Jugan, you did very good as well. Thank you both very much for your time. Harry, Bailey, everybody. Mr. K, Dan as well, if you don't mind. Jugan, and Mrs. Danvers, if you can follow me for a second.
Okay.
All right. Thank you all for your time.
Stop
Have a wonderful
raising
day.
charges
See you in
for
the
no
next one.
reason.
Right, Mrs. Tommy Jugan, so regards to the PD, what's going to happen is you guys need to drop the charge and refund the amount of, which I will be doing from the government account.
Yeah, I was going to say we can't do
You'll
that.
need to let me know the amounts. You need to
Out of
let
my
me know
pocket?
how much is
Yeah,
the
I'll do
amount. No, I'll do it. How much is the charge of aiding and abetting? It will be dropped. Can you drop it from the case as well, if you don't mind, Mrs. Danvers? I'm going to be issuing you
Yeah, let
a
me
check
remove it.
with the amount of aiding and abetting.
Okay.
Mr. Jugan, regards to your courtrooms, I will be issuing you a check as well. We'll talk
Let's
about it in the
go.
back room.
Yes,
Pick
sir.
of you.
Aiding and abetting is $500.
500. What is? Okay. Mrs. Danvers, what is your number?
298.
298. Here's a check of $500.
And she's also been removed off that.
Yeah, you guys, I just want to make sure we're all in understanding of why, on regards to my points and arguments, like why I decided to drop the charge. We're all,
No, I think we get it. Yeah.
You understand? I do
Yeah.
agree, however, Mrs. Danvers, that there will be some charges that need to be created, and some legislation modifications that will be needed, as it would technically be an accessory after the fact.
Okay, because I just want to protect everybody else from this so that
I
there's
do.
no confusion.
But one thing I will tell you, ignorance is it's not innocence. You be
I've
more aware of your surroundings. Be more aware of what's going on.
I've educated myself as to what police cars look like so that I'm
So
not going to
I will say, yeah, bad
get into
judgment
another
isn't
one.
necessarily directly the crime here, but like in the future you could get in big trouble for it. Okay.
I
You're free to
know.
go, Mrs. Danvers. I will need to talk with your lawyer. He will. I don't know if you're waiting for your lawyer. You can wait outside. I need to talk to them
Miss-
privately.
Okay.
Miss Danvers, the case has now been removed.
Yes. So
Okay.
if us three, me and you free, Dan, Harry, Jugan can go in the office.
Sounds good.
And thank you, Mrs. Danvers, again.
Yep.
All right. Yeah, we're all on the same.
I need one to call.
Hey, babe.
Look at that. Hello. I told you you'd have to go after the drop.
Congratulations, Riley.
Thank you. And
Billy, right there. Bill.
I
Bill
did it, babe. I did it.
Oh, I know you would.
I know.
However,
Thank you, Mr. Warden. Let's go.
You know, they set a good precedent. The first case ever and the police lost.
I mean, arguably, we actually.
Yeah, well, I mean, technically speaking, in this case too, you could also sue for false charge.
No, I won't. Just the
Yeah,
fact that
I
they're
know.
gonna be putting in the accessory charges
I
enough
know,
for me.
but I'm just saying, like, you would have been able to do false charge, falsely arrested.
Mhm.
Well, I mean, because
Not
of the
falsely
false charge,
arrested,
that
but-
is. Well, because of the
Let's walk and talk.
charge, technically. Well, I'm waiting on a cop.
Hi,
'cause I need
Riley.
a cop.
Oh, okay.
Mike,
There he is.
How can I help?
question
do?
for you.
Yes.
I reported something a while ago
Yeah.
about the restaurant.
Hello.
Roxwood.
Hi,
I
Billy.
don't know if it ever got handled.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Yo.
You alright?
Yeah. Wow, everybody's disappeared fucking quickly. Yo. Hello?
Hey,
Hey.
how'd court go?
Oh, my court case, I got it taken off.
Congrats! So, what exactly happened?
Basically, we went to court. We, you know, divvied it out, talked it out, and, I won because, you know, they
Because
couldn't.
fuck 12.
I mean, they did a good job, I'm gonna say that.
Well, good. I'm glad the government's reasonable. Thought that sentence would come out of my fucking mouth. I may have been making their lives hell while I assume most of them were probably at court.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay there though and wait for Tommy. But I just wanted
Heck
to.
yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to. Yeah, check in. Let's go. But he did well. He did well for the first court case. Like, he did flap. Like, they could have
At
asked.
the house, gardening.
But they didn't, and we
Need to
made a
get,
good point.
My rapping a little higher.
Because essentially, like, they didn't ask. They really didn't.
Because I had neglected to do that because we had so much we needed to get rid of before we were about wrapping anything.
Oh yeah. I'd
No
like to have a
worries.
word.
I mean, I
Can I have a
reported
what?
it. I didn't know if it ever really got investigated. That's why I wanted to bring it up now.
Let me have a look to see.
Which, if
there's
you want to get rid of it
anything
without really risking
regards
everything,
to it.
it's kind of slow and
You
tedious.
say about a week ago, yeah. I don't see any reports from. Well, like I say, you've raised it to us now.
Although I really am waiting on one of them
I'll
to
be told in the
screw up
county
and
anyway.
violate my rights so I
So
can
every now and then
sue.
I'll head up there when it's open, keep eyes on
Exactly. It was more than something. I actually,
I don't know what's
it was a
going
police
on out
card
there.
at the end of the
I mean,
day.
at the same
It
time,
was
I've
a.
been,
yeah, I've got
Let
some
me go out
cover.
here. Yeah, like it was a police car at the end of the day.
Medic 82.
It was, you know, Wade was driving. I did not assist him. I didn't coerce him. I wasn't there when it was stolen. None of that. Like, I basically was just there. And 9 times out of 10, the person should have just been let go or charged with accessory after the fact.
when I got my drinks, I got 2 empty cups.
Which is just like I said, a charge was a principle set inside of the city's laws. That's what needs to be there. And whether it's a felony or a misdemeanor charge is up to them, but I was trying to set that precedence with this court case, is that there needs to be protections for people driving, because anybody could have been in a driven car right now and been charged with aiding and abetting, which they shouldn't be, but because they're there during the commission of a crime, it's like, and then now it'll be up to people to argue whether or not, you know, they were facilitating it or not, or if they tried to stop it.
I've also seen those military trucks in Roxwood at the
I think they're
restaurant.
whispering in there.
I don't know who drives them, but
No.
I have seen them.
What do you mean,
Hello,
military
Riley.
trucks?
Oh Jesus.
The ones that have been showing up at Roxwood that they've been using for deliveries at that restaurant.
Alright, if that guy's
That's
trying
weird.
to badger you to get his car out, he'd stay in
Yeah.
for 12 hours.
But yeah, I mean, even if you need to, I mean, Snowy
not
was there,
staying it out.
Bucket was there, Tommy
Yeah,
was there, I was
well,
there.
Well, like I say, soon as you get me, as soon as you guys like some form of photographic or like video evidence, just to say no so I can see it.
Sure.
Then, like I say, I'll conduct an investigation, but I won't be able to confide into the happenings of it when it's ongoing.
Not a problem. I just wanted to report it. If it, you know, like if you guys know that there might be something shady going on, I know you guys
no,
do like stakeouts or something.
Yeah.
And at the same time, I'm still trying to get up with Mr. Wolfenstein about it because, in all honesty, I don't think they're fit to actually own the restaurant. Like they're not training their people. They have no idea what the hell they're doing. The one guy didn't even know how to order cups.
Damn.
Yes, I was there for that actually. Yes.
One more question, if you could.
It's
I have.
ridiculous.
You're gonna have to give me a moment.
No worries. Take your time. Take your time.
So, like
I'll
I
wait
said,
outside.
in the long run, I'm giving you guys a head up. I will see what I can do, body camera wise.
Oh, didn't you speak
You know,
English?
I'll throw some on my my regular clothes.
Like I said, Rodney, any information you can send across to me, don't hesitate to do so.
What? I need to talk to your lawyer.
But of course, I won't be able to
Hey,
confide
he's-
anything in relation to it, okay?
Yep. Nope. Sounds good. I do appreciate your time.
Officially retired. One and done, baby.
No worries.
Oh, Tommy, I'll be
Well,
around.
you have a
if
good
you
rest of
wanna
your day,
give
Rodney,
me those,
okay?
Yep. You too,
the
Franks.
mustard.
Oh yeah,
And look at
we
that.
can-
One
you
and
give me
done.
a-
1-0.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll give you some time to get everything settled.
Okay.
Right now,
yeah, no
he's
problem.
also the only
Alright, thank
lawyer with
you.
the best record in
Thank
the
you.
city.
Listen, this set a
Yeah.
precedent.
It did.
This set a precedent. That's all
It
that
is what it
matters.
is.
Oh, hang about the PD.
I mean, that's the thing.
Shush, Marcus.
I have money for you.
Okay.
It was $30,000 was the
Marcus is
payout
suspended.
minus my fee of I think it was $10,000, so it's $20,000 back to you that I'm gonna
Okay.
give to you.
Okay.
Can I help you?
You're better off writing a
Talk to you in
check.
your office for a minute?
Yes.
Writing a check? I don't have a checkbook.
I don't have one either.
They're expensive.
Yeah, what's up, man? Yeah, sorry.
There you go.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yep.
You are
Free
more than
woman.
welcome to
Let's
actually
go out here
have
and
a
talk.
meeting with
Yeah.
Mr. Murphy.
They're a little salty.
It's
I'd
give
imagine
them-
I would imagine they would be salty. There was a
Yeah.
lot of speculation. There was a lot of leading. The fact that they let the officer who wasn't even on scene or anything handle a case when Harry has a card, he should have been the attorney that was presiding over this, not an officer that just gathered evidence and turned it in. Their whole argument with this, with the evidence that they sent over to me, the entire argument of this was, in fact, it was just, hey, she was in the car, she was aiding. So
Hi,
that's
Mike.
that's what we ended up beating today.
Where's Murphy gone?
I think
He's
he went
back
to
in
his
his
office.
chambers. Yeah.
Yeah, he's in his office.
Yep.
Ah, do I want to schedule a meet? Well, how the fuck do I schedule a meet with this geezer?
You doj@redline.net. That's the email address, right?
Much obliged.
I think so.
Yeah, it's doj@redline.net. Use it from your phone. All right. Anyway, so that's what they're going to work on now. Now they're going to write the laws, and they're going to add accessory and accessory after the fact to most of the existing laws within the city.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Danvers!
Yes.
Danvers, separate matter. I have to charge you. What's your number?
Okay.
Yeah, that check that I gave you, I'm giving it
298.
back. 298. Okay, this is relevant to the fraud case we talked about.
Yeah, no worries.
You have a good day. Bye.
Yep.
See-
Thank you.
All right. So I'm glad I was able to help you out. I
Yeah,
knew from the
forward
day
with
that
this.
you told me that was going to happen that, you know,
Yeah.
and I turned my card in. No longer a lawyer.
Wait, you did?
I'm not gonna lie, Tommy. I was in the garage, listening to some objections, like, oh, I know the perfect rebuttal.
Well, I mean, you could still give
I was like, I know
advice,
the
can't
perfect
you?
rebuttal.
Even though you're not going to be a lawyer anymore.
I mean, I can still give advice here and there. You know, I'm just not going to be a lawyer.
Well, congrats on your first and last case.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, there's a lot of corruption right now that's going on, and it's all pointing in me, and I just don't want the heat on me. I'm suspended for 1 week from lawyering, and I figured that it was better for me to go out on top than go out against the corruption that's against me.
Well, if you need any help with that, trust me, I'll just give me a call.
No problems, no worries. I appreciate it again, and congratulations. That's a big win.
Yep, thank you.
No problem.
Here's the deal with that. At any point, if you looked away from the person, right?
It's finally over, and I have no more felonies on my record. Yes. Oh, we can fix. Anything. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? I have so much shit on me. It's not even funny.
Yeah, so when it comes down to that, that's more of an IA thing. It's not something I can do. I mean, it would be flimsy to sue. The only thing we'd be able to do is excessive force, maybe. But at the same time, like most of the issues you dealt with there is an internal affairs issue. No, you need to let either talk to Dan or Harry.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
So where are you now? What are you doing?
I'm still
To
at the
celebrate.
courthouse, but I figured maybe we go celebrate with you know, getting everybody together and having some fun.
Yeah, I've already had somebody ring up seeing if I'm up to anything. Because they're bored, so
Mhm.
get a few people together.
Hey, maybe we can, I don't know, do some off-roading or something and stuff.
Yeah, that sounds alright.
Yeah, maybe go up to Roxwood and go around.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine.
Yeah, we haven't done
I'm at
Roxwood
Sandy just
yet.
now, but
You're at Sandy? Okay. Let me figure out what Ronnie's doing, and then maybe we just have everybody meet at Sandy. Maybe the Sandy Garage or the Sandy.
I was gonna say maybe meet at Roxwood because that's closer to the.
How about the Roxwood train station? Everybody
Yeah,
meet there.
yeah.
And we'll be
Well,
there.
I'm gonna go sort out my off-road vehicle then.
Okay, alright.
Okay.
Okay, dokies.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, and that's why it comes down to an internal affairs issue. It's not something I can control.
Hello.
We should try to take the Briosos up to Roxwood for science.
I was considering that, but I've got a better idea for science.
Okay, alright. I look forward to
Okay.
seeing what it is. Okay. Alright.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I'll meet you there. Okay.
A piercing weapon. You know, that's the thing. I mean, the best case scenario is to deal with it with IA and then, you know, just drop it from there. Because even if we were to take it to court, there's a good chance you're going to fail. But, I mean, you could Billy, Harry, Fox, you know.
Just follow me, babe. Alright. Stay here while I go get the car.
That is messed up.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I mean, better now that, you know, my lady, you know, won in court.
Yeah, I'm a free woman. Let's go. No more felonies on my record. I can get a weapons license when they come out. Hell yeah.
Yep, you
Let's
can get a
go.
weapons license. You can also work. You can go back to work for EMS.
I could. I could make some decent money out of that, not gonna lie.
Yeah, I mean, they make good money. I think it's like, if I remember correctly, based off of what somebody said, you can make close to 21,000, and then if you're helping a shitload of people, it's like 400 a person. So you know, you could make like 30, 40K an hour.
Yeah, I could.
Then half the time you don't have to do anything really work-wise.
No. Or I could go and be a cop for a little bit.
Yeah, you could do that too.
Hmm.
Though I might wait on the cop part because they're probably going to be a little pissy for a while.
Like, I give them a good shout because they actually did as decent as they could for this. Because at the end of the day, like, I really didn't do anything. You know? Like, that was the whole point.
Yeah, and I mean, you were cooperating the minute you got out of the car. There was nothing you could do that was aiding and abetting. And they tried to use a shitload of speculation in what was being said in the car.
And speculation is not facts. And it didn't help that they insulted me either.
Yeah, no. That's why I immediately yelled out badgering.
I mean, how am I supposed to know the definition of joyriding from the Webster's Merriam Dictionary?
Yeah, we're not exactly dictionary people.
No, I mean, I'm pretty literate, but even though, like, even me, it's like I have my own definition of shit, and I don't really give a shit anybody else's definition. Till it's, well, relevant to the matter, but yeah, you're supposed to do a case with facts, not speculative. Like, half of what I do is speculative, so I know the difference.
Yeah. I mean, that's the thing. I mean, at the same time, that's the reason why I raised the fact that it would be accessory after the fact. Yeah, that way they understand that there's more than one accessory. You have accessory and accessory after the fact.
Mm-hmm. Who's on radio?
Me.
You want to come have some fun?
Yeah, let me finish up this growing
I gotta get a
I'm
hold of
doing.
Max too.
I'm harvesting right now.
Okay. You guys want to come meet at the Rockwood train station? Come have some fun.
Yeah.
Get out of the house and come have some fun.
I gotta get a hold of Max.
Max
I
is
gotta process a
asleep,
few
I'm
more
pretty
plants,
sure.
and then don't I need to bag some meth for you, bro?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I may or may not have
I
processed.
need to know it for that. I need to.
Uh-huh.
It's in his van. It's in the boot.
Like 300 of it.
Nice.
And you can have for baby. You can just have some if you want.
This thing's actually pretty quick.
I finally got it upgraded.
Recipes.
This is about as fast as it goes.
There's Chris's farm coming up.
Yep. Which now I can actually work on my farm. I can actually build it up. I can actually be part of the economy for once we're going through here. Be forgetting about the Polito Blackwell.
That's pretty damn good.
Oh, it's so easy. Everyone like hypes up so much.
I just need to know which recipe you're using.
Yeah, I forget about it too.
Show you can. I just got told to keep it between 50 and 70.
Interesting.
You'll get it. Don't worry.
I haven't went and cooked since the first time I've done it, so that's. I just need to get the frickin' ethanol.
I'll show you how I do it if you want.
What's funny is when you drive this little
Sometimes
car right over
shit
that,
luck,
it kind of sounds like a bunch
losing
of buzzing
ethanol.
bees.
Wait, ethanol.
It's one of the ingredients you need, is it not?
Oh yeah. I got it like twice, and I'm fully out of ingredients for it now.
Let's go.
I'm out of. I think it's
Leave it
ethanol,
to
I'm out of
Snowy.
it.
Yup.
Oh,
This is what we're gonna be taking.
Yeah, Snowy always has like the best shit.
I know. Yeah, what I mean by snow is we're not gonna go like up like the big mountain, but we're gonna go like the unexplored area. Get Jojo. Let's find Jojo. Oh, thank you guys so much. Ah. Hello. Alright, I'm gonna go switch out of these clothes.
Wow.
Okay, so let's 782. This one I'm pretty certain is...
I literally need one more point to package high purity meth. That's crazy.
Okay. That's the other one. Alright.
Oh well, I'll finish it later.
So this is that one. This is that. That is that. Okay. Alright, so let me go and put some shit away in my car.
It's just getting older, that's all it is. Getting older, you know.
Let's put it back in the back of the vapid.
I mean, listen, I had to do something for myself. I even got some pearly whites. Oh no.
Yeah, 400k.
Yeah.
I'm fucked. We're gonna put this away.
Oh my god, look at that ass over there.
Yes.
Rodney, you keep
Figure out
staring at
what
my
that
ass, I'm gonna
is.
get you for sexual harassment.
Check. Cables.
Box for train station.
What do you think?
What do you think of the rock crawler, Snowy?
Hey, it's not bad. Not bad.
You want to see my rock crawler? Hold on.
That's mine.
Okay.
The RV van?
Yeah, we're waiting here.
Yeah, I'm going on the radio for a sec. I'll be back.
Okay. Yeah, we're going with your dad and everything, so.
Yeah, that's fine. Then.
It's not bad.
I need the truck captain.
Oh, I'm also keeping the drift kit on it to keep it extra.
What are we going to do?
We're going off-roading.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Will I need to go for this? I'm really hurt already.
Not sure.
Ain't no telling. I haven't checked the speed on this thing yet.
Oh,
yeah, with a drift kit.
I'm about to pass out.
Snowy, grab them lockpicks out of my trunk. I don't know who put it there, but I don't want any part of it.
They're legal to own. You can own them. They are legal.
I'll take them.
I don't know who put it there, and I ain't touching them.
I'll take them.
They're legal for like if you're doing truck driving, right? Instead of calling PD all the time, they gave you permission to move the vehicles that are inside your loading area.
You know what they think is pay attention to? Look on the ground. That right there. They're thinking that's illegal, but there's a difference between human liver and chicken liver. That's fishing.
Yeah, I know.
Liver.
Yeah, that's fishing gear.
Yeah, that's just fishing bait.
Anybody wants it? I'll take the liver. No.
You ain't taking. You ain't taking my liver. I need that for later. But I'm putting that in the rock crawler.
The rock crawler.
I'm gonna start charging people to take them out sea fishing. You can catch great whites now.
Wait, you can?
Yeah.
How much do they cost?
They're 40 kilo and you get 4.5 grand for them. But you've got to drag them all the way to Grapeseed, so I have to keep coming to shore to stick them in vehicles and go back out to sea again.
You can about what? I'm sorry, all of y'all are speaking extremely quiet, like you just been
sorry.
before.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. But yeah, so yeah, they weigh 40 kilo. They're worth 4.5, but obviously you got to sell them in Grapeseed. They're illegal if you get caught with them. So I have to keep going to shore to put them into a vehicle.
I mean, just fill up your glove box full of bait, right? And then go to Innesso Road, right off the highway near the city, and then you can just fish right off the bank right there, and there's a garage right across the street.
Or I fish near the dock at Roxwood in the middle of the open bit of water, and then just go in and get my car out at the Roxwood docks.
Well, I'm talking about for anybody that doesn't have boats.
Yeah. But yeah, you can get sharks. Of all varieties.
The only thing you can get is the fucking the great white sharks, which is unfortunate.
No, they are
you
the
can
ones
now.
you can get now. Yeah, but they're illegal.
Oh.
Remember.
Oh, okay.
There's certain fish that are illegal, yeah.
And the great white sharks, you'd be on a boat, you pick up a 200-pound fish, you'd have issues.
Yeah, I don't have to look at it and go, oh, look, it's a cutie, I have to chuck back. I can actually take it, chop it up, and sell it.
Is that what you say to most of your girls, man?
No. But yeah, Chris is on his way as well.
Chris.
I don't know what he's
Remind me who Chris?
Hammy and I think Richard were on their way too.
My business partner.
Your son, Hammy, I know him, but I don't know Chris and the other one she mentioned.
Oh, Chris is my business partner. You'll probably see him in the cowboy hat in the restaurant.
Nice. Remind me again who you was again, because I'm
Riley Danvers.
I can't speak. Yeah, your name was escaping me. Yeah, you're the one from the court case. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the friend I
Danvers,
told you about that
America.
rang me up to see if we were doing anything.
What's your name again?
Nice. America.
In relation to Nick.
Yeah, he's my brother. He's passed away a couple of years back.
Yeah, I knew Nick.
Yeah, apparently half the city did too.
Hey, there you go, Chris. You look better. You don't look right in a suit. You'd think you'd have gone to court or something.
Well, I'm not going this time. I'm not being a fucking lawyer.
And we're just waiting on Hammy and Richard.
So you're Chris, right?
No worries.
Nice to meet you. I'm Ben.
That's me.
Well, I mean, you probably met him. He runs. He's up at the.
So
Breakfast Diner quite often.
Your call has been.
I'm gonna be
And I
100%
ain't
with
calling
you.
Natalie.
I may meet people, but I don't 100% always remember who they are. Okay. They don't. If they don't leave an impression, I really don't pay attention.
And Chris is usually in the
Because I
kitchen.
deal with a lot of people between EMS, PD, and in general, so it's a lot.
That car is a choice.
Okay,
I
sometimes
wonder how
beggars
well
can't be choosers.
them bisons do off road.
They're not bad.
I haven't took either of mine off road yet. I haven't even tested them or the Rumpo, much less. I want to buy another off-road truck. If you've seen the Helen box that PD has, right? That's the one I want. That's the one I always use when I'm on duty, and that's the one I want off duty. That's my favorite truck.
I'm taking my.
They do
house.
amazing
We
off-road.
can all just ride together. It's all good. If anybody breaks down, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. We can come in for a beer and watch some TV in your house over there, your mobile house.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Get lost in the
Might
woods
still
somewhere.
smell a bit like stingrays though. No, my thoughts is,
I don't know.
if something tries to eat my face and throw me off a cliff, I can stand on top of it and I'm safe.
What do you mean, eat your face off and throw you off a cliff? What is that?
Well, the
What are
last
you
time I
on
went
about?
adventuring, something jumped up, grabbed me, and threw me off a cliff after screaming in my ear.
Yeah, I know that.
Right. So I am a certified EMT. I will look you over. Do you happen to feel any dizziness or any discomfort?
No, that was yesterday. I've been treated
yesterday.
since then.
Okay, okay. So we don't need to take you in for a
Do you
psyche
have an
eval.
off-road vehicle?
Okay, that sounds good.
Alright. Or you can ride with me
Did
on the
anybody else
journey.
experience these creatures?
Yeah, they
Yes.
left the girls alone and like grabbed
How are
me
you
and
feeling
Joey.
today? Do I need to bring you in for a psyche eval?
No. Okay. Haley saw it, JoJo saw it, Chris Snowy saw it, I saw it. We all fucking saw it. Even Natalie saw it. It's no way she's getting me fucking committed for that. No fucking way.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know who half those people she said was.
Yeah, me and Joey got grabbed by it and the other girls got left alone.
Did you
Look,
have
we
your
got-
glasses on? Because there is mountain lions.
No.
That could have been what you seen.
Oh no, we all seen the same thing. Just the only people to get grabbed
happened?
by it
Was there any kind of
me and
mist
Joey.
in the air or special plants you was knocking
No.
dust off of?
You know what? Should we just let him find out, maybe?
I'm just
Not
doing my
today.
job as a,
Not
a
today.
responsible
Not today. Fine.
emergency medical technician. You know, just checking you out. Because when people start saying they've seen the creatures from the whatever they want to call them, I
You
gotta
don't
I got a
want to.
question.
Yeah, you don't want to. They grab you, scream in your ear, and it hurts.
What happened?
Oh, a Yeti-looking thing grabbed me yesterday and chucked me off a cliff.
Oh.
Yep.
So,
Yeah, go
so
to
you
the
was
nudist
attacked by a
camp.
Yeti.
Go to
At
the
the nudist
nudist
camp.
camp if you don't believe me. Yeah.
Where's Richard?
Yellow?
Richard?
He's at the house.
I'm at the
Hey, we all got a radio
garage
over
right now
for this
getting some
off-roading.
off-road tires put on.
We usually use
On my Rumpo.
26.
Okay.
26, huh? Alright, that works. Before we leave, we need to make sure everybody's got food and water at least too before we head out. Maybe some bandages.
I
got food.
I've usually them one food, one drink. But I'm full. I'm full right now.
Just
This is a fucking scam.
I know, isn't it? The drift kit's like 18k.
Yeah, that's right. I just paid 18k for a fucking all-wheel drive kit.
Yeah.
$3,000 in labor. I was like, what?
No. But I went there because like no one else was open to get my drift kit on my car. It was Jesus.
you paid how much for a drift kit and labor? Or, I mean, all-wheel drive.
Well, it's 15k for the all-wheel drive and then 3,000 for labor.
Yeah, drivetrain's down there. If you go to Apex in Sandy, it's only 1K for labor.
I know. I work there. That's what I was trying to tell him. I said, he's like, "Oh, they're all the same." I said, "No, they're not.
Philip was
Sandy is
suspension.
way cheaper." But they do a percentage. So if it's 10,000, they charge 2,000 labor. Like it's
Other
all
cases?
percentage,
Yeah, they
40%.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
That's very insane, yeah.
He's like, well,
Oh.
repairs only 600
We got
here.
cops
It's
on the way.
800 everywhere else.
Right, who did it?
That doesn't make
I'll
it
do it.
right first. I'm going nuts on your other pricing.
That's why I said, oh, so your repairs are cheaper. Great. That's the only thing that's cheaper.
Hey, is that a police car?
It sounds like, I don't know, it could be either or because they both got the same sirens, but it's in emergency mode, so it's either transporting or it's an ambulance.
Probably an ambulance.
Yeah, because they're the only ones that really use that unless you're PD it on panic button or something.
We gotta get going.
Is this all that's coming?
Richard, you good or no?
You phone
Or are they taking forever?
Yeah, it's paying now. It's paying now.
Well, I don't.
Okay.
I'm paying you.
Let's see, is this person around? Nope. Is this weird person
No, yeah, I think I'm
around?
gonna sell the farm.
Get who to sell the farm? What?
Say again.
I said I think I'm gonna sell the farm.
To who?
Why? To who?
Oh, Arya.
Don't. She already has one. She can't have
Yeah,
another one.
So? Sure she can if she has a friend
No,
on
she
it.
can't.
Yes, she can. As long as somebody that she knows buys it, she can operate it. Same thing I was going to do with the gas station. Same thing I was going to do with the farm that you own. I was going to have Snowy buy it, and then I would be the main operator of it. Same thing that the mayor is doing right now with the both malls that he owns.
That's
They're under
considered
somebody
a
else's name.
monopoly.
It is
Yep,
considered a monopoly.
Yeah,
But
Harry
in
owns
this
both
case, it's
malls
only
right now.
considered a monopoly if you have too many.
Right. And owning 2 farms out of, what, 7 isn't crazy, so.
Well, I mean,
Owning both malls is crazy, because it's considering it's 100% of the monopoly.
I
nice
I
if
know
they
a few
fucking
people
actually
who would
stock this
love
stuff.
it. If you want me to, you
I know. Matt Clifton's been begging me every day for it.
Yeah, because they think it's gonna make the money, and it doesn't.
That's just it. They think it's going to make the money.
You just put money into it, and then you hope to God you get it all of that back. You're literally just doing the farmers, you know, you got everybody else with like a service. I did not even have any food.
I
so
got food.
business open.
Yeah, I got food.
Gonna say,
No, the gas stations with the expensive ass sandwiches and waters is.
not too bad. Appreciate it, man.
I mean, I don't know. 225 for a ham sandwich and 175 for a water is pretty expensive, in my opinion.
Blame the mayor. People voted for him.
Does the exact same as what our food does.
I mean, normally when you broke, you
Hey,
eat a
Chris,
fried
what
bologna
was the,
sandwich, you're
pink
good.
one?
But hell, when you want
Fried bologna
225 for
sandwich
one,
is
that's
what?
expensive.
Yeah, but like I said, it does the same as what our food
what?
does at the restaurant.
Well,
so
the
it
fuck did you come
justifies
from?
our prices.
That's the colour. And I said pink.
My mom's.
Turn around, you come from nowhere, man.
I mean, I came in that giant ass rumpo. I don't know how you missed
never
me.
mind. It's been left out.
Nah, I didn't
don't know
hear
where
you.
it's at.
Okay, we
Is
gonna go?
anybody
It's my
sneaky?
car.
Man, you're gonna make me want to damn smoke right now, too.
I think we're all here.
Always be popular now. Now that I'm trying to fucking hang out with people, I get popular for some reason.
I'm gonna go run and grab some food and drink real quick.
Okay.
Actually, that might be a good shout for all of us to do that.
I've got one burrito. Well, one kebab. One kebab, one drink.
All right, and then as soon as we get food, we're gonna leave. We're gonna get going.
I've got one food and a drink.
Ah, shit.
I got a couple of them bologna sandwiches and some
I'm not
water.
gonna. I'm all right for right now, but there also is no food places open, so.
I mean, you know, there's always
became
deer,
desperate,
birds,
yeah,
everything in the
we could
woods.
We could always open if necessary.
Yeah, I mean,
Nah,
I'm not
man, we're
hurting,
going
don't get me
off-roading.
wrong.
I'll skin us up a deer. We'll cook it over a fire. We'll be good.
Fuck me.
Oh my lord, I'm
Yellow.
getting you.
Are you jumping in here?
Yes, I am.
No. Are you jumping in, Randy?
Okay.
Even open the curtains.
All right, give me a moment and I'll head that
wait
way.
a second.
All right.
I have vehicles if y'all want to drive vehicles.
Yep, will do. All right, bye bye. It
What
seems
is
I have
road
a client. Seems I have a client. I have to go to Sandy, so give me a little bit.
Okay, we'll probably still be doing some stuff. Okay.
All right.
Don't worry. It's okay. Okay.
You
You should all get on radio 26.
So fun.
I'm gonna tell everybody. Tell everybody radio 26.
Alright.
Go to radio 26.
Moving.
I got painkillers as well. I think
Hello?
Pseudo in the glove box.
Hello.
What is it? Never mind. I'm not gonna.
Okay.
I'm just topping up.
Switched over to premium, so I needed a full tank.
Smart.
$90 tank in this bitch.
Same.
So do you have anywhere in mind you want to explore today?
Basically everything that's like, you know where the racing thing is? Like everything east of that, like the 640, 650s, 660, 670s up here. Yeah, so we're basically right there. Let's go explore all that. Basically, we're
going to the state park.
We're going to like the state park up here in Roxwood, not the big mound thing over here, you know, but the other part, you know, the one that nobody's explored before.
Is that a drift tune on a freaking RV? That is outstanding.
Yup.
I might need an RV now.
Oh, my marker disappeared.
Hold on. I'll put it up.
How did I put an engine and a turbo in this Rumpo and it's slower than ever? What in the fuck is going on?
It's them shrooms kicking in.
Who laced me? Who dosed me?
Sorry,
the
man.
last time I buy that Euro.
Can't keep up.
Well, why are you so fast?
We're at
Fellas, I am built
743.
for off-road, not speed.
I forgot that everybody has a drift tune. I'll stay at the back.
Oh, towards the back.
I've just got full of rhythm, man.
Yeah, to see all the forest over there, that's where we're gonna be going off-roading.
Wait, I always go up there on my motorbike. Have you seen the creepy cabin thing up there? Like the FNAF looking.
What do you mean the creepy cabin?
FNAF looking thing, I'll take you. And you can go in and you can there's cameras and everything.
Okay, show me.
Wait, follow me.
Side quest. Slow
Follow
down.
me.
Slow down. We're letting him go first. Whatever car he's in. He's in the front. Oh, is he?
Okay,
in the
just
front.
just show us. Show us
Follow
what
me.
you mean, man.
Side quest.
Side quest.
Yeah, I always go first. I was gonna show you before, but you was busy.
See, it drifts so well.
It does. Hammy, are you talking about the diner?
No, is that got cameras and everything? And
Cameras
you can go in
and
it.
you can go in it,
You can go in
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about.
Wait, I forgot which road it is. Oh, it's up there. Wait. Yeah. We just missed it straight up. Fine.
Trying to keep eyes on him.
Oh, fucking hell.
Run, Heavy.
Wow, Heavy. Tell us when you're turning.
Wait, is it?
Some of
Oh,
us
wait,
have
I'm on
no
the wrong road.
brakes.
Yeah, neither do I have the lowest level brakes.
Which way
He has a drift tune, which means he has
It's the
no
same
brakes.
way. It doesn't.
But I thought drift to.
Goes
Then
the
he
same
should have
place.
drifted that corner, duh.
Oh, he was like the best drift ever, or whatever.
Where is
Keep
he?
going,
Somehow I
keep
made
going,
it my
keep going.
Rumpo.
Tell him to stop.
You guys, where are you guys? Like, you guys completely left us
Peak
all.
Just past the saloon.
Peak Road.
Keep
Oh,
following
that's
the
the
road.
saloon.
It's called
Okay.
Peak Road. It's like where, like, it's next to the name on the road, yeah.
That would have been a sick drift if I
Sitting
didn't
back with Drift
spin it.
McGee over here.
I know.
That would have been a sick drift if I didn't overtake myself.
Everyone needs lockpicks to get in, by the way.
It was nice, and then it wasn't.
It's what to get in?
We should all be able to go in.
Anybody
Leftists
else got
inside.
Yeah, I'm giving them.
Got one. I'm all good. Hammy's got
I already have
lockpicks if
one.
you haven't got one.
You haven't got one?
Yeah, I've got a lockpick.
Oh, you just fair diet.
Right.
Do you need
This
a
is the
lockpick?
park ranger's office.
You know what?
Yeah. Do you need a
Okay, move
lockpick?
this away.
Do I need a lockpick? I'm not going in that.
Come on. Live a little.
He's
Come
not
on.
got a lockpick.
Live
He's
a
not
little.
got a lockpick.
Here.
Nope, I got no lockpick. Sorry.
No, it's not. Come here. Come here. This is an
I am
abandoned
not.
place, okay? Just.
Abandoned. It says park ranger's officer. I'm still sworn.
Just. Seriously, come on. Have a little faith. Have a little faith, okay? Come on.
That's just the woman that was just in
Guys,
court.
guys, we're below
Have a
you.
little faith.
You have to run this way, I'm pretty sure this is like what my friend had to do.
Riley's
Welcome to
down here with
Matrix.
us.
Oh wait, there's new stuff in here now. There's actual
Can
things
you
in
hear
here.
us?
Yeah, yeah, we could hear you. There is
Yeah.
a way to get out, my friend had to do it.
Come over here.
Oh, hey, run right there.
No. You good?
No, we're not. We need help.
Where are you? I'll pull you through.
We're right on the
Oh.
stairs.
Yeah, underneath the stairs.
Underneath the
Okay.
stairs.
You send me a thing, I'll grab you out one at a time.
I exited and I don't have another lockpick.
I am in darkness and out of range. I don't know what I'm.
No, yeah. Hold on.
I have two lockpicks, so I'll give you one.
Let me go.
We'll go again.
Here we go.
I think I need to leave
Okay.
and come back in because this thing is not. Yeah.
Well,
There
unless
is
you
a
got
way to
another
get out.
lockpick.
Okay, yes. Trying to.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give you a lockpick, Chris.
We can't. Oh.
Well, can you
Say
let
I'm
me
getting
get-
an option. I'm gonna refuse you.
Have corn.
I'm sending it to you guys.
Okay, okay. I'll go to the back.
Yeah, I keep picking
Okay.
Riley up.
Just refuse anything sent from me.
What doesn't say who's sending it?
Yes, it does.
There you go. Try
Not
now.
from my end.
Oh, dear.
Yay! He's so strong.
I broke me.
Oh god.
Did you fall through?
Yep, there you go. I jumped out though. Right, watch out, back up. Come on, your turn.
Okay.
I'll just be
Squeeze
chilling out
through
here.
these. You know these.
Alright.
It's never done it for me.
Where do you get out? I've got more lockpicks.
You've been pulled down.
Oh, there
I'm
we
stuck
go.
in here now. I'm stuck in here
Just
now.
at the front door.
Okay, we need help
Where are
getting
we
out of
getting?
here.
It's me.
Are you still below?
Yeah, we're at the stairs
Yeah,
and we need help.
carry-
We need carrying.
Other.
We're stuck inside we need help squeezing out of these, you know, in between the floorboard things. So.
Oh. Whoops.
I'm gonna
Can you
get it.
see me?
There is a way to get out. I don't know how we did it though.
Okay.
Probably parkour.
Maybe.
Wait, stand. Can you see my head?
No.
Okay, stand halfway down the stairs and then think nearby carry 3.
Oh, we're stuck under the stairs. This was a bad idea.
Oh my.
Hey.
I feel like
Put me
I'm
down.
with you now.
Put me down.
Wait, how do I put you down?
Flex your X muscle.
Oh,
Thank
there we
you.
go.
Right.
Oh, no,
Then
you
do the
it
same.
first. Oh, okay.
Do,
I'll do
you
it.
do the same.
Here we go. We're back down here. I'm back down here. You need to move.
Yeah.
Damn it. Now get me off the
No,
stairs.
put it down. Just jump and put it down.
Oh, I've actually made it in this.
There we go.
Second time if you go out and come back in here.
Yeah. There's actual like things in it now.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, I don't like
These weren't
it.
there before.
What do you mean you don't like it? Hold on. What do you don't like? What do you don't like?
Piece of this. It's these things I don't like.
Hey, come over here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about them.
Oh yeah, fuck those things.
Dirty minds is over it.
I wouldn't.
Oh, it fucking moved. It fucking
Yes.
moved.
You don't go near them.
Oh yeah, you don't. Yeah.
Dirty minds is
Yeah, this, yeah, don't.
What do you want to show me?
Huh.
There's a security monitor you can look at in here.
You can lock doors and stuff.
No, it's still moving over there, Phil.
Oh.
Huh.
We found a stash of booze in here.
Of what?
Give me booze.
Beer, liquor, wolf.
Oh yeah, I know where you are. Yeah.
Damn.
Give me
Just
ethanol, damn
reminds
it.
me of a film I once saw. And it doesn't end well.
I see what they're trying to do there.
Jax
Yeah.
did this.
That's yeah.
Hmm?
Don't. Can't
What?
read this.
I don't know, but I don't like being in here one bit.
Me either.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Well, at least they haven't moved.
It's creepier at night. Yeah.
He is literally waddling back and forth. Look at him.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
Oh wait, yeah, he is.
He is.
He is. Maybe at like midnight he does something.
Yeah,
Like the actual game.
yeah. Somebody said that they were not there before.
I don't have a gun on me, so
Yeah, there wasn't
I
there
don't know.
before. There wasn't. It was
Where do
just
you
an
think the
empty
others
little-
are? I mean, there's room enough for 2 more on that stage.
Yeah, I mean, but they've just randomly popped up, so they might randomly pop up at some point.
Huh. I haven't seen the rest of this place. Right, that's a bathroom. Another bathroom. Okay.
Just bathrooms here.
I'm just working for a taco. I'll be right there.
It's upstairs. Okay,
Yeah, there's nothing up here.
the bloody handprint on the power thing.
Nice. Can't go through here, I don't guess.
No, you can't. Don't keep trying that.
Huh. Interesting.
Interesting indeed.
Interesting.
The fact that you need a lock pick to get in here.
Yeah,
I
I'm
know.
pulling out lockpicks now.
Right, I'm
That's
leaving before I
weird.
die.
Yeah.
What's it on the
yeah.
floor? Loves hate relationship with taxi. Taxi. What do you mean? Where's the
What? Where is?
Yeah, too much snow wrapped up in that building for me. But yeah, it was the other side of that
What about
river
the
that you
saloon?
wanted to explore.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like,
what is it? Then?
yeah, what is that, the saloon?
What's at the saloon?
I didn't really.
Down here, wasn't it?
Yeah, back there.
Yeah, I never checked this.
Parked up perfect. See?
No, I can't do anything.
Tumbleweed 2.0.
I'm trying to get customers up here.
Maybe there's a
I
way
mean,
to...
they'd still come here before they went to up and at 'em.
Huh. Doesn't seem to be nothing. Yet.
I could be a lot of running up and around that path.
Alright, follow the leader!
I guess noise later.
Like, be fast, so straight into him and slides. Like that.
I was trying to turn. Oops, this way, sorry.
Well, then I'll overtake.
Rumpo brings up the rear. It's the rump.
Keep my
I got this.
You got this?
And he's gone.
Give me flies
Just like
down
that?
the
Yeah, just like that, pretty much. He did that to himself, though. Sorry.
I don't think we're
doing
getting
everything
back
you
up
gotta
there.
do it.
No, I don't think we're getting back up there.
Or maybe not.
Watch this space. You can do it, Johnny. You can do it.
Oh, he's doing it.
Yeah, until you hit
To
that
the right
rock.
without him.
Oh. Come on, you can do it.
But nice if we had, you know, something like winches or something we can get him out with.
Yeah. Hey, he's
He's
got,
got
it.
it,
There.
he's got it.
Hey.
Little proper
Now the other
application of the
person's gonna
EE
get
pedal. Oh, that was a fail.
Shit. Oh, this is a very steep downhill.
Holy shit. Three.
There.
Somehow I think the journey was not a good idea.
Hello?
I think it's a fantastic idea.
Yeah, I was trying to see where you guys were. I've been sitting here just in Sandy.
We're at 6. We're off-roading right now in the Roxwood Forest.
We'll
Oh,
be on
okay.
the main entranceway. in a
Alright, well,
second
if you need me or anything, I'll be hanging out here.
Why
at
does part of
the,
me want to take
the
an
train
ASPO,
station
lift it to
at
the
Sandy.
sky, and then put a
Okay,
drifter on it? Bring it out here?
Alright, you be careful, okay?
Alright, we'll be careful, I promise. Bye.
Alright, I'll talk to you later, love.
Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you. Alright, we're good.
Do you want to try and see if the old tunnels are still there, Chris? If you remember where they are.
What old tunnels? Oh, yeah, I don't think they're gonna be.
Do you think they'll still be there? The one with the creepy skull underground?
Oh, they're still there. That's where you get sulfur.
Mark them. That'd be a good place to go.
Insurance claim.
Yeah, apparently they are still
Correction,
there.
insurance problem.
Trying to remember myself where they are. Over here somewhere, aren't they?
No. They're underneath the big pump.
Underneath the big what?
The big, the Roxwood State Park
bumper.
thing. Like,
They want to buy bandwidth. The correction brush guard down.
usually by, like,
You're right, you're right.
993.
993.
Bolt-ons, man. I gotta say, that blazer is,
Yeah.
beautiful.
I can't see
It
it.
was until I keep getting rear-ended.
Not over here.
I only did that once.
Go on, you mark it. I'll let you mark it.
Say again.
Only done that once.
Alright, don't you fucking do it. Oh, right. Where's you?
I'm in the wrong
Snowy,
mode,
give me
so-
a belt. Snowy, give me a belt. I gotta put a spanking on the kid.
Oh, I think he'll do that to himself.
I reckon this'll make that. Nope.
We're gonna go look for some caves.
Hold on, wait for them.
I forgot what it was, Nick. About what we was planning. That's why I say it says the last, last turn on the left. Near.
There's bloody racetracks in the way. Oh yeah, they're up in the steeples, aren't they? Over here.
Yeah, it's up.
Amazing, I'm getting gapped by an RV.
And no, you keep going straight.
Yeah, that was so down for these guys.
Revan's racing. Yeah, tops out at 88.
Nah, it's on the other side of the
Kanye would
mountain.
be proud.
Yeah, it's all good. We're going the fun way.
Oh god.
Oh, another cabin. Oh, that's a bush.
Yeah, it's on the other side of this mountain.
Seems like we're on the wrong side of the mountain.
No, we're going the fun way.
God, they're right here. Right here. Come on.
What? Yeah, they're here.
Right here.
Right
Yeah,
here.
they're here.
You can't drive the whole way through, but you can definitely walk it.
Hold on, I'm about to put my lights on. Oh man.
Headlights are
My
rubbish.
lights are useless.
Anything with it.
Mine are old school KC lights, so.
Oh, there's actually some ores in here.
Yeah, it's sulfur. But you mine it in complete darkness.
You wouldn't be with these, how much these lights I got
Oh, I
on this
just don't
truck.
have headlights full stop. The hell off.
Yeah, where the sulfur is where you usually go down to see the thing. You have to walk on foot.
Yeah, but the question is, why is the sulfur glowing black around?
I don't know.
It's stanky. It's a stank cloud.
I don't think we're gonna get any further down in by vehicle, Chris. I suggest we get out and use our torch forms. What if you can't turn around?
I can turn around.
Where's everybody? Do we have everybody?
Someone's mining.
It was me. I was gonna throw things at people.
Someone took an opportunity.
I found nothing.
I'll need my light. Really have yours.
My headlights just randomly keep turning themselves off. It's very creepy.
Yeah, mine was
I found an exit. I
I found a hole out.
Oh, which way did we go?
I don't know.
I
Are we?
reckon this way. 'Cause it was
Okay.
Don't want to go too
I
far.
just
and get
stayed
lost.
straight the whole way,
Oh,
just
no,
so you
I
guys
remember the
know.
way. Oh, Chris just went straight. I remember the way. Oh, it's fine.
I mean, if we lose our vehicles, we can always track them by the phones, you know. I got GPS on them.
Question is, this shit doesn't look natural. Never did.
Yeah, until a cave gnome
It
took
doesn't.
it.
Aha.
That's definitely not fucking natural.
No, you know, they grown themselves.
This looks. Yeah,
This
there we
looks
go.
vaguely
Are we,
familiar.
are we missing one?
Missing two.
Well, no, I think we're both together.
It's a good place to like
Yeah.
torture someone.
Yep, that's exactly what we used to use it for.
Oh, good. I remember that.
Torturing people.
Good to know. Good to know.
There's somebody found their truck, apparently.
He took the truck all the way through.
Chris, remember this is where that big creepy skull thing was underground.
You know where it is?
Is it? Where did y'all go? I'm just past the sulfur now.
We turn left and right, or right and left, or whatever. It's backwards.
You didn't go this way, did
We hear you.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
That's the way out. Do you want to go out?
Oh, towards the trucks, yeah. Oh.
Trucks are behind us.
We haven't found the creepy thing yet.
I'm holding on.
Yeah, there's a spiral like staircase somewhere near here that leads directly underground to a big creepy skull thing.
You remember where it is, don't we?
That gas fell off my truck.
I want no
Stand
part
on
of
the
this.
roof
I'm
and
not
keep
an
your torch
accessory.
out.
I was never there.
Yeah, I don't own headlights.
I don't know what
Oh,
y'all
you
talking
stay
about.
slow.
Okay.
My headlights don't work.
We're missing somebody.
See?
Is he dead or?
I know you won't fall off it.
He's
if you go
crawling.
slow enough. Where?
Down the tunnel right there.
Who died?
Don't crash into me!
I got him.
I ain't
Oh,
going out
God.
that way.
Who is it? Is it
Point the
Ben?
light behind me. If you can. Oh shit.
I'll call for a medic and send him a ping at the entrance.
Perfect. I'll get him there.
Which way is this?
Put
You
him in
can't-
my car.
truck.
Put him in my truck.
Riley, do you want to drive his truck?
I'm using Riley as a headlight.
Hey, I'm trying to put him in your car. You move.
Oh, sorry. He's moving. He's crawling away.
I need to keep somebody first before we leave.
Come on, this truck. Oh, here's pick locks.
So good. We're gonna get medical treatments at the entrance, so we'll come
Yeah.
back down for it.
I'm gonna take some opportunity
Yeah,
to get some sulfur while we wait.
Right here. Turn,
What's
turn left.
sulfur used for?
Turn right.
I'm using Story for headlight.
Huh?
I can't see.
Entrance is behind us.
Is it? Oh, it's behind us. Hey, my torch is still on. Look.
There you go. There's
This way?
exit, yeah.
Yeah, I've got my torch on my phone too.
Ah, getting very close to the head.
Yeah,
There you go, daylight,
do it
daylight.
slowly. I'll go over here.
I can make
Wait
it.
here.
Alright, let me get
We're
this.
just outside the entrance. We're gonna call for medical.
I already called him. I already texted him the location and everything.
Come on, dude.
What's sulfur used for?
Things that people want. So, we're gonna end up on the road.
Must have grabbed his car for him.
I'm at the top of the mountain.
I'm skating through a cave.
Somebody better call you.
Okay, airman coming in. Airman's coming in right now. Helicopter's right above us.
No, they're not there above where you guys were. Right.
See him. I'm higher than them.
You see me? If he's the grade no park over there, opposite us. Oh, that's a tree. That's a police helicopter.
Yeah, it's the only livery they have right now.
Ah.
I wasn't here. You guys never saw me.
Why am I not surprised?
What?
Dumbass, he's
What?
tried surfing on my vehicle through the caves, okay?
Oh, did you got any caves? I didn't realize there were caves up here.
Yeah, there's caves right there. We're exploring.
Cool. Oh, why is there anything in him? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. That's why you're explaining.
Some
I'll have a
sulfur.
look. Okay. Right. So it fell off the vehicle. Is that what you're saying? Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. He just fell off and hit his head.
His liver fell out too.
He most definitely did not get run over after the fact.
Oh dear. Right. Okay. So I'm seeing quite a lot of bruising and swelling, mainly to the knees, to the legs, to the stomach. A lot of grazing and swelling and cuts to the face. There does seem to be a dislocated shoulder here. So we are going to have to pop that back into place. We'll wait till he's conscious for that one. And then we'll clean up the wounds as we go. I'm going to ask why you guys are all grouped together. Or are you just exploring again?
Just exploring.
Well, I can hear a bit of a laugh from Riley there, so she'll clear she's up to something.
I'm not up to anything. I'm on my court case, by the way.
Just in a good mood.
Yeah, no, I was there.
No.
I was there, Riley. Huh? Okay, Riley's not responding. You good? Riley?
I'm good.
Oh, good. You know, but yeah, no, I was there. Didn't you see me there?
No.
Oh, what tut. I was there behind. But yeah, so I've just cleaned up the wounds to the face, to the legs. We'll get them up, go from there, and see what's what.
Yeah. He most definitely just fell off the truck. He did not get run over.
Well, this might explain the dislocated shoulder. The ankle is quite bad
him
as well, but
him falling off the vehicle, that would definitely do that.
Yeah, and he tried catching himself.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh. You with me, Am I Ben? in hell? Who the fuck is that ugly damn thing?
Damn.
Don't fuck with that saving your life, you cheeky son of a bitch. Oh God! Somebody kill me again, please. Hey, we can make that happen.
I can definitely do that.
Go ahead.
No.
Yes. Kelly, are you available?
My
Yeah,
bison
10
seen
for.
the
Could you
most
respond to that,
damage.
please? My leg hurts. I'm going to sit in my truck. Right, it's okay. No, hold on. You ain't going anywhere, yeah, you jackass. You've got a dislocated shoulder.
Baldy,
We're
what
gonna
are
pop
you
back into
doing?
place. It's not baldy. He's got hair. It's wrong one. Riley, why don't you
Yes.
come brace to that side from her?
Okay.
Hold him. Don't move. Okay, so let me get in the right position.
Hey, what are you doing with that?
Just
Leave it
holding
be.
your shoulder. Just trust me. You're gonna need it.
Oh, there we go. Shit. When it comes to so I've popped your shoulder back into place. Very dramatic from you, Ben. But I'm gonna give some pain relief and a brace and a sling to put your arm in. Okay?
I'm keeping quiet because
yeah.
I might. Wait. I need to test see if his arm still works. Nat, let me punch you in the face again and release some of his stress.
No, jackass. Or I will defend myself.
I need to punch you in the face.
You're not gonna punch me in the face for shit.
Yeah, if you pull your phone out and put your torch on without headlights, it'll still work. Or flex your H muscle, your high beams might work still.
It's not my high beams.
Oh, you seem to... what's your ID?
Let's go! Lee with one gifted membership. Let's go.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It fell off or
There you go.
something.
Alright, you good to go?
Picture that fell off earlier.
Little vehicle, that looks kind of nice.
See, I'm the most damaged because I just leaped off the top of the mountain.
I swear to God, Ellie's gonna end up dead one of these days.
Oh, we're going back in.
I don't think so.
I want to go to the top of this mountain. I won't lie.
Guys, want to see who can make it up the top of this
Yeah, I'm
mountain?
heading to the top of this mountain so you gets up it.
I can't make it up there. Heavy already did.
Oh, I can make that. I can make up it easy. I've already been to the top.
What's Chris driving?
I don't know. Brad.
I reckon this is the only way up.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris, I reckon you'll make it up if you go up this spine here.
It's just sketchy as fuck, but I guess we're gonna go for it.
Time to do some sketchy shit.
Oh, shit.
Do
Yeah,
that,
do
do
that.
that. Hope we get away with it. Oh, do that.
This is sketchy. Oh no, no, no,
I
no.
had a bad bounce. I went down it. Badly.
Geronimo. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to get up there.
Watch this space. Watch this space. Do you know what? I'm gonna go this way.
Okay.
Just to fuck them all over. Yep. I reckon if I have enough speed, I'll do it.
Robo!
I mean, they're all up there, so.
I'm bouncing around too much.
Yeah.
I'm missing the door.
Fuck, I don't think we're making it up there.
Yes, so am I. One door.
No, that's this side anyway. The
No.
the other side, yeah. Oh shit! Now if I do that.
Don't worry, I got this. I'll be up there in a second. Just bear with me.
You need a bump grab.
No, I just need it to go straight. Yep.
Let me give you a nudge.
I'll just take my time. I'm not pussyfoot on this bit, so that's why I went wrong. I went too slow.
You can do it. We all believe in you. No, we don't. Never mind. No, you stayed. You held it.
Come on! I don't think
Hey, it
so.
landed. Like wheels.
No, I'm just wheel spinning my
It's
to a
still
certain
rolling.
point.
Alright, we'll do it again and I'll give you a bump grab going up the hill itself. How about that?
Oh, wait.
Maybe we should just go up to the homeless camp, to the nudist camp. Watch you guys all scream like
No.
little bitches.
No.
You and me
no.
can stay down. You and me can stay down. we'll send them up.
Of course, no, I'm coming to help you.
You wanna do that where we send them up to figure Vaughn shoots that thing fucking tear them apart over radio?
Got him.
Come on, you got it, you got it.
I'm just gonna full send and see what happens this time.
That's corrected. You called it, man. You got it.
Hey.
This is where I'll need the push.
I may have pushed Hammy's truck off the side of the mountain, though. Sorry.
I may have gotten revenge for Hammy, though.
He did, he did.
I mean, to be fair, I was going down anyways. You just gave me a little push.
Just a little one.
No.
No.
Bye.
Oh fuck. Uh oh. Ow.
I held it this time. Oh,
I'm
fuck
gonna give you
me.
a push and myself started sliding down.
Woo. Okay then. Yeah, we're not going that way.
No.
But you know what? I'm just gonna YOLO it up the centre of here, see what happens. No, that's way too steep.
Yeah, you don't realize how steep it is until you get up here.
Whee!
Nope, we're not gonna have enough.
Oh dear, that's a rock. Oh. Meow.
Okay, I have a challenge for you boys. Okay. I bet $50 each that y'all can't go up to the nudist colony alone. Okay.
I'll do that.
And stay up there for a total of 5 minutes.
Now, where is it? I don't even know what the news company is, Scott.
What is $50 gonna buy? She can't even buy a ham sandwich with that.
That's like a third of a bottle of water, if that.
Take it. I'm down bad.
But where's the nudist camp?
It's over on top of the lumberyard.
I'm at the bottom of the hill on the road at 906. We can convoy over there if you want.
Yeah.
But I'm not getting out my van.
Yeah, me and Snowy will not get out of the van, but we will 100% take you guys up there. So y'all have to be separated and y'all have to stay up there for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, where are we rallying right now? Because I'm still up on the mountain.
Let's rally at the
906 main road.
My engine is 50% now after Chris launched off the mountain.
Don't worry, it's a bison, it's built different.
It's just more aerodynamic.
I've weight reduction, I've got no body panels left.
Yeah, weight reduction, there you go.
Is this everybody?
Where you at, John?
Nah, we're missing a rumpo and something else.
I'm coming down the mountain.
We're just missing Jonathan, right? In the rumpo?
It's Richard in the rumpo.
Yeah.
Or Richard, that's it, yeah.
I'm breakdancing.
Char.
Bye. You
I
rang?
I did, because I was wondering where you were.
I haven't had
No,
a break.
Oh,
Get a break, it's okay.
I tried to warn you, but it's too
Yeah,
funny.
we're about to send the boys in to do something stupid, so.
Okay.
Where you at?
Well, different.
I'm at the hospital. Where are you?
We're up in Roxwood.
Alright, I'll make my way up there.
Come to, like,
Who are we
you know,
missing?
the ski place across the street from the lodging place?
The other
I'm
truck
calling
now.
up.
Want me to stay?
Yeah.
No
I'll
worries.
be there.
Y'all can do it.
Stay like it.
What's, logging place? Hang on. Oh,
Yeah, up in Toledo.
yeah.
The ski place that's across the street from the login entrance.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll meet there.
Okay.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Bye.
Because wants to come join us.
I just sent that local into the river.
We're heading to the nudist camp if they want to meet us there.
I love this track. Alright, you have a good one. Bye.
See you, buddy.
Hello.
Hello. Just meet us at the nudist colony.
It's crazy I was able to dodge under you.
Yeah, just trust me. We're doing a challenge with the boys, and it's gonna be fun.
Okay, right. I'll see you at the nudist company then.
Okay, I'll see you at the nudist colony.
The traffic police just be up and at him. Oh well.
He's still biting.
Why am I the only one that caught the tail end of that local?
Oh
The fuck?
shit, it's me.
Okay, that was unintentional.
That was intentional. The hit's noise.
I bet yours was
Getting hit like a damn
intentional,
rover,
you
go
little
dirty,
shit.
derby.
My head's gonna blow up soon.
Mark the entrance.
Oh,
for
you're
it.
smoking.
So yeah.
Oh, don't.
Oh Lord.
You know you're flying off open some hills and you don't even know where you're going at me.
No, that's why I stopped.
Dummy.
Dum dum.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. You hear us?
Just on
Roll praise.
Yeah. I'm on
Okay.
the train to Roxwood.
Okay, yeah, we're heading up here now, so like I said, just grab a car, come join us, okay?
Okay, I'll see you later.
See you in a minute. She's gonna kill me. Turn this way, guys. Where you guys going?
Oh no, I was kind of just guessing where it was.
This is the fun way.
I know.
Just need to fill up my car.
Do not bump into any locals.
Why?
They will
Fuck
shoot
off,
you.
find
Guns
out.
and shit.
They
I
will
was gonna
shoot
say,
you.
fuck off, find out. You've been warned.
If I hit one of them, do they all shoot me or something? Is it
Yes,
the one I hit?
every single one of them.
Not gonna hit them then.
I was going to run them over.
You got another one of those?
My car is smoking.
No, just the one.
I can show you where you buy them.
Nah, I know where you
So we're waiting for Man Bear Pig, right?
My car seems slightly more damaged than everyone else.
Yeah,
A
yeah.
little bit. So we're waiting on the other one. Who?
Charlie?
Exactly?
Charlie.
Okay.
While we wait, I'm gonna go see a man about a dog in this bush over here.
He's gonna get eaten.
Pretty solid idea.
Yep.
What did you say?
Nothing? Said nothing. Why don't you go and look around?
Yeah, go look around. Remember, it's $50 on the line, guys. Come on.
Yeah, I'm just standing up here. I'm happy standing up here.
How long before, you know? You good over there, Richard? Oh,
I don't
that's
think
gotta be
I'm-
good.
I think he's already been eaten. I don't know.
Maybe. Richard?
Almost there.
Okay. Well, go on.
Yeah, I was stood
Run
behind that
around.
building that you're at Hammy the other day.
What?
I mean, you don't get 50
what now?
bucks if you're sitting here.
What the fuck am I worth about 50
Billy
bucks? I got plenty of money.
Ground.
Let's go run around.
Hey, if you don't believe us, there's a Yeti
High
lives
five.
here. Yeah, go and have a look.
Yeah, that big church-looking building was the one I was behind when I seen the Yeti. I was just standing there for
what?
yeah,
Yeti?
just standing there for a minute. Yeah.
I'm standing here for a minute. There's the cliff. It's 50.
Might still come out at night.
Oh, wait, no, yeah.
Did you just say you seen it?
See her. The pink truck.
Oh.
There's a man pissing off the cliff.
Yeah, I got a picture of him.
Why?
I'm gonna send everyone.
Slain to them and whatever, because you just... It's kind of... Oh, God.
What am I supposed to stand around out here?
I think I saw it.
Please don't tell me you've seen it.
That flicker is something.
Nothing's happening though. I'm still in the edge and nothing's happening.
Yeah, well, it
You
was
okay?
only when we separated we started seeing him.
Yeah, you gotta separate. Get up on the car, girly.
I'm back.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What's going on?
Okay, well, found somebody else.
Yeah,
Right.
go around, run around, explore, have a look.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we didn't see it until we was on our own.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you have to be
Are
alone.
we actively exploring now?
Yes. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Charlie, stay here. Face it to this
Don't bump into anybody.
Don't bump into anybody.
Oh, you'll be safe, Charlie.
All we have to do is sit here for 5 minutes, or survive 5 minutes, I guess, in your word.
Yep.
Yep.
From historically speaking, it only eats dudes. Hence why I'm standing here with you guys. Hi.
Okay. Hi.
No, there's
need to leave
a
the camp
Yeti
or
like
stay in the camp?
creature. Around here somewhere.
Sometimes on the other side of the wall, sometimes not. Yeah, I was just looking around when I spotted it.
I'm just gonna go around. I nearly fell off the cliff like 5 times now.
Oh, Lord. Boys.
Wait, can we buy binoculars or not? I can't
No.
remember.
No, but you can sort of look at you can look over your shoulder a little bit closer at things.
No, but if you look that way,
Still trying to figure out which one's the church.
you see the red glow.
It's a big building that I was next to.
The
Red.
big building towards the end, yeah, where...
The one that I was next to, but I've moved now.
The totem.
What, that?
No,
Yeah,
no, no,
there's a
no.
demon totem halfway up the
The
wall.
halfway where the gates to hell used to be.
Yep. All the way over there.
All I see is smoke. In that house in front.
Look beyond it. You really, really look beyond it.
Halfway up the stairs. I hear radio silence.
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, you better
Where's
come
that?
right back. Nah, she's seeing the totem. You guys are fine. Anyways, Richard, Emmy,
Yeah, I'm good. I was just coming running because I want to stick a pickaxe through it.
What?
You said it's by the sign.
Where is it?
There's a totem that you can look at over halfway up the stairs over here.
Autumn.
Yeah, go and have a look. It's halfway up there.
Oh, then. Okay.
Yeah, we will. We will explain
For
it to
science,
her.
I think you have to look at the totem to be able to see it.
It might have to be nighttime. Wasn't it nighttime when they hit you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was nighttime when it got us as well.
Fuck, I'm stuck to this.
But it wasn't nighttime when it chased me down Cassidy Trail, so...
Maybe we just need to go down Cassidy Trail.
Can I get one of those iced out with diamonds around my neck, please?
Oh my lord.
People are gonna start thinking we're crazy.
Yeah, I know they are. But we know what we saw.
I stuck a pickaxe through a rabbit.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah.
For fuck's sake.
I just thought I was coming to help.
I was screwed and everything. If I was getting attacked, then I'd be screwed.
I'll have a look over here.
I just fell down the mountain.
Who just
a little bit. That was me. I got a bandit. I'll be fine.
Oh my lord.
Gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough.
Got one of your lost members here.
Don't worry
More
about
than
it.
one.
I'm gonna be honest.
Yelled at by a guy.
Let's go down Cassidy's Trail then.
Go punch him in the face, see what happens. Show him who's boss.
Oh my
It's lucky
lord.
Harry broke into.
What?
Something out with the pecker.
That I was not expecting
What's
to see
there?
that.
It's a nudist camp, dummy.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I'm trying not to run around.
I might have fallen more and be very injured.
I'm sure you found a man pissing off a cliff.
I find it very weird that they've got tops on but no bottoms.
Shit happens when you party naked.
Getting chilly.
Hmm.
Bird likes a fresh bit of air, but not always. That's why you gotta be, you know, half party, half business.
Breathe for the crap.
Sometimes you gotta let your shit breathe.
I think your 5-minute timer's been called there, whatever your name was again, right?
Yeah, I think he's on because it's not night time. You've not seen him.
Yeah.
We've got a long time.
So alcohol only comes out at night?
I think so.
It's well, we've got a long
So what's that, 150 bucks you lost?
Oh, it's $150.
Oh, we hired Rodney at the restaurant.
Oh.
Yeah.
The sausage fest round
Yeah, I
here.
got 10k ticket.
What for?
He just gave it me because he realised I was really broke. And he felt bad for me. It was Eddie.
Fair enough.
There's all sorts of crates and stuff I wish I could open up over here.
Okay, you didn't let me know that the wing wangs were actually out.
It's a nudist camp.
I didn't think
It's called a
about that.
nudist camp.
Didn't even think about it.
Oh
Yep.
shit, that's
And
That guy just standing
Well.
right there out in the middle is free
Oh, there's
balling.
a guy peeing over there off the cliff.
Look up there.
Yeah.
Look over there, there's a guy peeing off the cliff.
Oh my god. As I
Alright,
said,
we
it's
can,
the
I
sort
think
of dress.
let's go down Cassidy Trail. Let's go down Cassidy
Makes
Trail.
That's no one's ass right there.
Come on. Let's go down Cassidy Trail.
Oh, my just a blow suit. Jesus Christ. My engine's quartered out.
We'll fix it, Sandy.
Yeah, I don't think people are gonna believe us if they don't see it.
I'll go down this way.
I'm going down the fun way.
Well, we're going down the fun way and also we're going to the left.
I came up the fun way. I'm going down the safe way. Well, semi-safe.
I mean,
This way safe too.
Oh no.
I found a guardrail.
I'm on my side.
So did I also found the guardrail. I found multiple trees too.
Well, there we go. We're on the tree.
There we go.
That was awesome.
Alright, we're heading down Great Ocean. Where you at, Char?
Breaking my cuff.
$500, you'll be alright.
It's right
Come
there,
out,
Snowy.
vlogging.
Snowy.
Oh, go on in, Cassidy.
No,
Trail
wrong
right
side
here.
of Cassidy. Wrong.
Wait a minute,
Wrong
is
side
it
of
on the other
Cassidy.
Is it on the other side?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was on the lower trail on the other side. Why?
This just makes me even more suspicious that it's, you know, protecting Fett.
Uh-huh. I may have just broke his rump off. We're turning here, turning here.
We're going to the lower side of Cassidy. Where are you, girly?
They're below us.
On a trail.
Okay, just, which side of the canyon are you
We're
on?
opposite Hookies.
I think I went past Hookies.
Yeah, we're at Hookies diner at the Great Ocean.
Before or after the bridge, I can't remember. The bridge, isn't it?
Yeah, just south of the bridge. Around that little tiny chain. Before with Cassidy.
I mean, now my truck looks like shit.
Yeah, I'm nowhere near you. Hang on.
Are you on the Cassidy Trail itself? Because we can go around and meet you there.
Yeah, I'll be at Hookies in a minute.
I stuck that landing if anybody watched it, that was sick.
Get out the way!
That sort looked like he crashed into her on purpose.
By the way, if you need a belt, talk to Snowy, and you can do it that way. What is it, a demolition derby between you two?
Bumper cars.
There we
I'm
go.
gonna blow up first. Oh no!
If you set on fire, let us know and we'll pick you up.
I got pushed down the mountain.
Push you down the mountain?
My bad, I didn't see you when I jumped down.
Still rolling.
Well, I'm going to the lower
Don't turtle it, there you go.
Da-da-da.
I also seen it here that same day, but later on when I was rescuing my boat. That's why I'm going slow, hoping you guys see it. Because when I see it, I'm going to floor it and get out of here.
My
engine's
engine's
that, Ben?
really broken, by the way.
You'll be
I don't know what you're talking about.
Man, that's just weight savings. The more you get off, the faster it goes. Race car tech, bro.
If
I think you'd be chased by the motorbikes.
They chased y'all? I got you.
I'd sit here for a hot minute, guys.
On the right trail, how far up are you guys?
Whatever, far up here.
Oh wait, I see you, yeah.
Find the dead bodies on the way.
What do you mean, dead bodies?
Yeah,
Allegedly.
I started seeing
Alleged.
them here,
Here? Okay.
near that campsite. But this is also where the old Krampus was, on the other side of that bridge.
Yeah, I know.
Get that deer.
Here we
Yeah,
go,
I seen a
we'll
deer.
check.
Sorry.
Yeah, y'all need
Instinct.
to stop and like kind of sit there for a hot minute, guys. Not be running and
Back.
driving around.
You're the one driving around. We're following you.
Yeah, I'm heading up here
We're
a
looking
minute.
for-
I'll get curious.
Very curious. Yeah, that's where the light, like the time
Have
and
you
the
said somewhere specifically you want us to stop and
seasons
stay in?
were.
This is roughly where I seen them, that Yeti thing as well, that later that same day when I would move back, but...
Hi, were you?
Do you
In the
remember
river
where
almost.
Do you remember where the compass thing you used to be? Before
Yeah.
season stuff? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think so. I don't think it's here, Tommy.
No, but it was across the river from here. Where I seen it, so...
Gotta be here.
But it's also another good off-road trail to go up and around anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. I think we need to go to Sandy for repairs.
Yeah, we should go to Sandy for
That's a
repairs
nice
after this.
piece of meat down the hill.
I think we should head towards Sandy for repairs.
That's a nice piece of meat looking down the hill right there.
There's also a murder kitty here.
I don't think we're gonna see it. I don't think it's here.
No.
Snow, if your son goes missing, just leave it at that.
Yeah,
Are
well,
you scared to deer now?
Well, let's go to Sandy for a repair. There is a danger kit hangs around here, so I wouldn't be out your car for too long.
You ever park or slid
go.
tackle a fucking danger kitty before?
The deer has run.
Call CP to come get your car riding towards Sandy for repairs.
I was chasing a deer.
I got a bird.
You know.
I just put a bird on my body list. That's sick.
Now people are extra not gonna believe us.
Yep. Oh, shit.
This
Coyote!
ain't- This ain't good, Snowy.
Turn around.
Hopefully, now that we're separating while driving, they might see it.
Yeah, I think it's because we're bunched up in a group.
Oh, no, no,
no.
We're going down
Supposed to
Rotunda
be up by
Canyon
the
and head
train.
to Sandy.
The door.
Yeah, end of this creek and I'm right.
Boys.
What, they're going up and over?
Yes, they are. They're having fun. Let them have fun.
Yeah, that's the point.
That headache bounce was awesome.
Oh, look at that cute thing.
It is cute.
It looks like an original Jeep. Whee! Drift spec. Sketchy spec. Let's try
Especially with
to
these
get a
locals
drift
always
down
in the
this
way.
corner.
Because they're cheering for a race.
They're cheering to be ran on or ran over.
That's usually what I do with them.
Yeah.
The guy that takes pictures in the middle of the road and sanded.
Oh, what did I?
Stop them.
What did I hear?
The little light things.
Oh. Stupid.
You know.
Incoming.
Girlie, have you not bought any other vehicles yet?
Yeah.
Brum,
Okay,
brum.
More people.
Oh, come on, lots of
Ow. That hurt. Ow.
Run this race.
Whoa! Karma. Fucking karma. Get stuck. Yeah. Oh shit. He ain't catching me. Meow.
Meow.
About 10%.
Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, you need to jump out, don't you? 1 minute.
Yeah, I do.
Right,
Forgot.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
God.
Hi, Jar.
Hi.
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 Drift truck though, not the brightest of
Don't
ideas,
stop
but
bullying the
it's fun.
cop. Seriously.
He called these blades out horrible. So now he's chasing it.
Da-da-da. What do you guys want to do now?
I don't know.
Engine was like 10%. Like, but
Fuck, you know.
my body was 0.
How bad was this, Snowy?
Oh, the 0 on the body.
Christ
Like,
almighty.
30 on the engine.
Nice.
0 on the body.
Wheel spins.
I can bully him. He's Mike Franks. He needs bullying.
Fuck
Oh,
that
you should have
guy.
told me that. I would have bullied him.
Yeah, I would have said something too. Just for the springs.
Oh, this
Turn
guy.
right, I seen it.
See more.
You see more.
See what?
Exactly.
No, wait a minute. We
Here's
all
what
need to get a
picks.
group photo for other reasons for this. Yeah.
Should have done these.
Oh, come on.
Everybody
in
learn
front
to
of
park
the
your
cars.
cars better.
Come on.
Everybody park your cars
Oh, wait,
better. We need
yeah.
a group photo.
We should take the group photo when it was fucked.
That's it. I'm sending for my car.
One second. Forgot. I keep forgetting it's meditation. There we go. I got this.
Means no hit opposed.
Exactly. That's it.
Look at my pose.
Alright. We're gonna get a proper chat. We're gonna have proper chat.
I mean, if we're doing baddie poses, I got something on deck.
Yeah, so do I. This is Aphrodite pose.
Fuck 12.
Nobody asked for a side of pig. Move, bitch.
There you go. Happy.
Yeah.
Look at him over hitting a damn tree.
Staring at us the way though.
And what is he doing? Repairing his car? I mean, he can go repair his car at the actual station.
Could do this one.
Keep it moving along, pig.
He's taking the picture.
Smells like bacon in this bitch.
We didn't ask for no bacon. Move it along.
Shut up, you're an officer as well.
I'm off duty, pig. Run.
I'll go with Snowy. I'll go as a...
I think it's someone got the picture.
Hello, Frank.
Ah. Hello there.
Yeah, we were just off-roading, fucking about, having a look around.
Quite the collection of vehicles to do it in.
Yep.
Yeah?
What's
It's an
that?
awful looking blazer.
Right. Say it again, and I'm gonna slide tackle your ass.
Oh, God.
In all fairness, even though the journey doesn't look like it, it's still kept up. Kinda.
Ah.
Oh. That was a fail. Olay!
Away.
Still got you.
Assault on a police officer, you're under arrest.
Wow.
You're not guilty.
Wait, is he actually arresting him?
I'm gonna steal his blazer now.
He's going in the timeout, guys, okay? He'll be back.
Put him in the corner. Put him in the corner.
Oh man, I'm
going on the bottom step.
Hello?
Hello. What are you up to?
Hey. Really at Sandy
Thanks for the
garage.
blazer.
Or the Sandy
Ah.
mechanic shop. Anyways.
Ah.
Yeah.
Are you still exploring or?
1
He's
second.
actually arresting you.
Is he actually arresting?
He's going in timeout.
Is he actually arresting?
No,
Oh,
don't
fuck.
put him in timeout, he said.
That don't sound like just regular timeout.
You know, he might have a different way of doing it. We want more lockpicks.
It's a police station and everything.
I mean, how much are you down bad?
I have 0 lockpicks. I gave them everyone to get into that bloody thing. I had like 4, but I had to give them away. And in money type of down bad, you don't want to know.
What are you spending it on?
I don't know.
You don't have an apartment or anything.
I don't know where it's all going.
Food.
I get free food. That's kind of... I haven't paid
Yeah,
in a
and you charge your boys, I'm just saying.
while. I kind of haven't paid in a while, low key. I work to make up for it, so it's fine. Oh yeah, I don't know if she told you, but whatever her name is, the farm person.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she got 8 food, 8 drinks, but instead of paying, she's Chris
Yeah.
have to pay her. Yeah.
Yeah, we're not.
I did tell you. Didn't know she did.
Or you getting a slap on the wristband.
That's like he'd been executed. He's not answering anymore.
I mean, in this case, I'm definitely keeping that
But yeah,
blazer.
you need to get yourself some pennies. Get that
Yeah,
car
no,
paid
but
off.
I've got Richard and he's gonna pay my.
How much do you have left on it?
Too much. I'm about
Probably
200K.
about 170 on it. I'd say.
200K.
No, you've done 2 payments. You're probably all about 170.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, but once I get my meth bagged up, then I'll be able to sell that.
Yeah, I'll
I've got
go get that
96%.
done here real quick.
I got 96%.
Okay.
He's not been doing too bad, has he? Been really making it.
Literally just keep it between 50 and 70. Put the lithium in at 50.
Fair enough.
And then the other thing, just like find out. I've done it like 15 times. And it's just like trial and error.
Yeah,
I
until
forgot
you get the right recipe.
Yeah, I forgot what I did to get 96. Can't lie, but
You're supposed to write it down.
Dum.
fake news. No, I'll send me no. I remember when I do it probably.
Yeah, he keeps robbing my van to do it with.
I don't have the van, so just use his.
I've been using mine to store my sharks in. Yeah, I can catch great whites now.
That's good.
Why are you giving me that?
Hello?
Hello, who are you?
Mining.
Okay. Well, we were at the Sandy mechanic shop.
So that's
You were
Karen.
here. Wait, you
Yeah, I came over here to mine,
And
so I
found
had
out
something to
that's
do.
not from this one.
Thinking about
Okay.
going to bed soon.
Yeah, no worries, love.
But I figured I'd at least get some gains in.
Fair enough, fair enough. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow, babe, okay?
Yep, we'll see you tomorrow, love.
Alright, good night.
Night night.
Really? He's bored. That's probably what he's. Yeah.
Do be like that.
Well, do you guys have fun? That's the first and foremost question.
I always have fun.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Good.
I need to get another 98k so I can get a deposit on the car I want to buy.
Well, I'm gonna head to the house. Hey, me, if you want to bring that stuff, I'll bag it up
It's,
here a little
it's
bit.
in Rochwood too. It's in the apartment. Well, our apartment.
Okay, I'm gonna head up to the house and just meet me there. I gotta do another round of that stuff.
Alrighty, have fun, boys.
Bye.
Bye.
If he actually wonders where his blazer is, I did just go put it over there behind the ammunition.
No, this motherfucker's actually gonna send me off to jail.
Wait, is
Right,
he
right,
actually
right.
arresting you?
Damn.
Wait,
Tell him
what?
I said he's a bitch. A whole ass bitch.
Wait, are
Can
you
you not
actually
can you not even appeal it on the basis of?
Yeah, if you want to come down here,
you
Snow as a
joking?
lawyer, it'd be nice.
You can't. He was involved. You should call Rodney.
Yeah, call Rodney real quick.
Yeah,
Can we get him over for you? He's right out here. I can just run him over real quick.
No way, that's he got
going on?
arrested.
I'll ring Rodney. I'll get him to come down.
He's going back
I'll ring
inside
Rodney
now.
and get him to come
Ben
down.
was having fun and decided to tackle Mike Franks. So
It was
Mike
a joke.
Franks
Even
arrested
though
for
he was joking
Yeah.
around.
Yeah, like we were all joking around.
Joking about.
What?
And
Is
he
arrested Ben?
arrested. Yeah, he arrested Ben.
Well, actually, and what? Send him off?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well,
I
I'm about
thought-
to get a lawyer for him now.
Wait, what? Of the yeah, well, of the as long as have they got him in the cell still, or have they actually sent him off properly?
Oh, Rodney's
dunno.
busy.
Oh, that's not good. Hang
It
on,
might be them ringing it.
couldn't you
Are
technically?
you ringing Rodney?
Oh yeah, no, Tommy can't represent him because he was on the scene then, wasn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was all of us right here
He
just
gets some
standing
deep
around
shit on my
having a
soul scar.
laugh. Like, we were just fucking
I
around
know,
with him.
quick one for you.
Like,
Hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
good damn. Okay.
well, this just came out of left field.
Because.
The fuck? Like, is he actually sending you, Ben?
He was outside on the phone when I drove past. I called him a bitch.
Who, Ben? Who, Ben?
I'll pay it as 1B. I think he means
The officer, Mike Franks. Outside on the phone.
I'll kill Mike for you. Last time I killed a cop, they didn't catch me for it.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
I did see Mike Franks at the front of the sheriff's office over there.
Yeah, I bet.
This is... What?
I don't know. To me, it sounds like Mike Franks, where you guys have described it, was looking to arrest somebody.
Yeah.
And then Ben
Are all
kind of
these
bit, which
freaking
obviously that
electric
would
things
be
just
getting
busted or
the
what?
officer would get in trouble for that. Obviously, if we're somewhat baiting
Maybe.
him.
No way.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I guess I'm gonna park this
Any-
one
any
until
of
I
you
can
guys
get it
know
out of
this
Roxwood.
I'll speak to you later. Okay, bye.
Huh.
Yeah, he's already been called. He's on his way there.
Okay.
Wait, is Mike Franks actually arresting him?
Yeah, he's trying to. Rodney said, "Look, it should because it's PD on PD. You know, because you were messing around and your body cam will show that. You know, that's what he says.
Oh yeah, no,
You
but
can't process him
yeah.
without a member of command around.
Yeah, but also at the same time, if you guys were saying that you guys were having laughing a giggle, which I assume includes Mike Franks.
So
that
is he?
means-
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. So that means that then he's baited somebody to do something, which then
Yes,
Ben has
entrapment.
retaliated. Yeah, exactly. And then arrested him for it.
Which
Mike Franks
actually, that's a
can get in
good
trouble
shout.
for.
That 1 minute.
Yeah. That means Mike Franks can get in trouble.
Then tried to arrest him without furthering command?
Hmm. Well, no. So from what I understand,
Ben, are
any
you
person
still on
can
radio?
book somebody.
He might have taken his radio.
If one more local hits me and moves my drifts, I'm gonna crash out.
Alright, everybody get off the radio for a hot minute, okay?
What off the radio?
Well, because we're pretty sure that Mike Franks probably took it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's no reason for him to check the radio for any reason. I
That's
assume.
why I said, like, why would he otherwise Ben's in jail?
Yeah, but I
already.
don't understand. Yeah.
Why isn't
I
he
would-
answering?
Yeah, oh yeah. Have you rung him? Have you actually rung Ben? Not over the radio.
He's got a lawyer on the way. Can't be processed yet.
Yeah, so he can't be processed yet, so you have time to ring him. What do you ring him?
What the fuck? Like, this came out of left field.
Hmm. Did you tell Rodney what I? Did you tell Rodney what I said? What did you say, Charlie?
I went to talk. I went to speak to Mike.
Oh yeah, but
did he
technically
say?
Mike's just done himself in as well. Technically.
Wait.
Go on, Charlie.
Ben broke cuffs multiple times and tried to escape.
Okay, that's an issue on Ben's part now, but that could
Wait.
still technically get thrown out. But go on.
He said he couldn't play favoritism because of body cams now.
Okay, I get that.
So I
Bullshit.
said-
You
Oh,
can
go
hear
on.
the joking tone in his voice.
Yeah, he
go on.
was playing. I
But,
said
like,
he was
why
playing
did he
about
arrest him to begin with, is the whole point.
Yeah.
because he slide tackled him. It's
Oh, yeah,
classed as
yeah.
assault.
Oh no, I agree on that, but depending on how you guys have described it, obviously I don't know because I want to hear.
He
Depending
was
on- you guys have
joking.
yeah, as you guys have described it, it sounded like the officer might have been baiting him, which that would be classed
Yeah.
as entrapment.
Yeah,
Yes, it is
basically,
entrapment.
he said the officer's car was. It's not. It's baiting. But he said the other
Baiting,
officers
yeah.
took looked shit, and then the other officer said jokingly, "I said that again, I'll slide tackle you." And then he said it again so that the other officer went to slide tackle him and everybody was in the way, so he didn't, and then he moved out of the way and purposely stood in the middle. So that's baiting.
Mm.
Yeah, like he
Yeah.
purposely stood
Entrapment,
and
baiting,
waited
however
for
you
it.
call it, yeah.
Like he knew it was coming.
Like, no, it was looking for that reaction from somebody, and lo and behold, it happened to be Ben on this occasion.
And then as for Ben breaking out of cuffs, I mean, he shouldn't have even been in it to begin with. Isn't he supposed to, you know, HR and
Well, no,
PD command?
He was just gonna get misdemeanor.
But hang on,
He
I'm
still
confused.
can't do it because Ben's an officer. He has to turn it into HR.
So need a HR and command members to deal with PD on PD.
Yeah, he's waiting for a command member as well.
Yeah, but my question is, so when he got arrested, was he here when he got arrested?
Yes, right in front of us, and he
So-
said he's
yeah,
only
no,
going to put him
no,
in
no.
timeout. He not,
Okay.
you know, arrest him.
So I'm
Yeah,
confused when
physically,
Charlie's
I
saying...
never heard him once
Yeah.
say you're under arrest when he put him in cuffs.
No.
Yeah.
No, he didn't. He was just
And then
like,
he just took him off, and then he
Okay.
drove off and said, "I'm just putting him in timeout."
Yeah, but I'm confused though when what you said, what your microphone said to you, Charlie, that he broke cuffs. If he was already in cuffs, how did he break cuffs?
No, he was physically already in cuffs when he was placed inside
Yeah,
of the vehicle.
no, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But then how's Mike Frank saying that he broke cuffs?
Something in the cells that he said.
Okay,
that
but when
happened.
somebody's taken to the cells, sorry, go on, Charlie, I'll let you finish.
There's something fishy going on here.
Well, it's all on his body cam, and if you don't present his body cam, Mike Franks will get in trouble. Apologies if I cut you off there, by the way, Tony.
Yeah, but it still stands to reckon the fact that he said that he was only going in timeout. He wasn't getting arrested when he was placed in cuffs and put inside the car.
And this
Oh,
is where
yeah.
I should have had body cam on.
I mean,
did
we all
anyone-
saw it. It was me, Snowy, fucking Charlie, and Richard and
It's on the
Hammy.
officer's body cam.
Yeah, it's on the officer's body cam, so they
Yeah.
have to present that. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's also, you have 5 witnesses that can attest to the fact that Ben and fucking Mark Franks was joking around until Mike Franks decided to just arrest him. What the actual fuck?
I think Mike Franks was the way how you guys have described it is we're looking for that, and then he got that out of Ben when obviously Ben's a bit silly, a bit stupid, but definitely shouldn't have been an arrest. It was a silly thing, and he shouldn't be held accountable for it to that degree. What is assault? And then obviously if they claim him breaking cuffs, that would make it a felony. That's the problem here.
I don't know
No.
about breaking cuffs. He said something about breaking something.
Okay. Well, if it,
They watched him put him in cuffs. There's no way they could have brought cuffs unless he
That's
No,
why I'm
unless
confused.
he took him
That's why I'm
off of him
confused.
outside of the cell.
Yeah.
Which
he
then
shouldn't have
and
done
then
anyway.
that
Yeah.
itself is the officer just baiting
exactly.
him into doing other things.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Which will be on his body cam. So at the minute, obviously, Ben, once if a command's available around, I didn't realize they were around at this time. They would look at it. They would look at the body cam, and they might just even just throw it out anyway, unless Franks has already charged him, which then Ben can take him to court.
I think that's why Rodney's there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Exactly. Yeah. But obviously Rodney can't request without subpoena for the body cam, but a command member can review it if there's one present.
Where did this night go to from us all laughing here with fucking Mike Franks to Ben's fucking arrested and we're... The fuck?
Strange.
Yeah, it's a strange one.
Yeah.
But I think Ben will take Mike Franks to court regardless, no matter the outcome of tonight, if he gets let go or not, the costs of what he's done. And he'll definitely win in court, in my opinion. You know what Ben's like?
I know
Ben
what
will
Ben's
definitely
like.
take it to court. Yeah. Regardless of the outcome of tonight, whether he's arrested fully, sent to prison or not.
He was joking around, messing around, jumping out of the way, but it was only when he got caught that he fucking and slide tackled
Yeah.
that he cuffed him.
Hmm.
You know,
No, okay, yeah. Hmm.
throwing a tantrum.
Strange. Strange.
I'll fucking say what the actual fuck.
Gonna daydream a minute.
No
Yeah,
worries.
I'll go.
I need to go get food. I will be right back, okay? Just going down to the corner store to get it.
Here,
Okay.
here. Take this. It's almost out. It's almost
Okay.
I'm injured for some reason. Why? I can get myself checked in.
Thank you.
And I've got one more.
Some wheels are still abnormally small for that RV.
There you go.
Well, even if he gets charged, there's gonna be 5 fucking witnesses to say that it was a fucking joke. Like, they were joking around, and then Mike Franks actually entrapped him. Like, and then said, oh, you're not getting arrested, we're just gonna put you in timeout. Like... What the fuck is going on tonight?
So what do you reckon? He's gonna try and charge him regardless of what?
Assault.
Yeah, but even then, it'd have to be looked at further, especially by command, because it might be deemed as Mike Franks was baiting him.
Yeah.
So, do you want to stand outside the station, see what happens before Rodney comes out?
Yeah.
If you want.
Yeah, we can.
I'll run over there. You're a skateboard over there, aren't you? Run for it, run.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Let's wait here. Let's not get too close.
No.
And whisper.
Oh no, we're just talking about cars over here, guys. It's fine. We're not doing anything legal.
No, but yeah. Oh yeah.
Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da.
Rodney, borrow.
Da-da-da-da. Hi, Franks.
Hello. Apologies for breaking up your collective there, but you know.
What happened? If you don't mind me asking.
Oh well, he slide tackled us. I was just going to fine him for it because it's still assault, and I can't be shown to be given favoritism to officers. And then he let himself off the cells and started running away.
Right.
So that's caused a bigger issue, for obvious reasons.
I mean... Never mind. Just gonna keep myself quiet.
No, you know, it's fine. The thing is, though, like, let's say, because I know Snowy's a lawyer, if I show favoritism and let him off with assault, because that's what it is, then let's say I charge someone with assault that Snowy represents, he could pull this situation up into...
Yeah, but it's again, it says situationally. In that situation, you were just goofing about.
Oh yeah, no, that's what I said. I was just going to find him for it.
That's the difference. There's a difference with most of the people that's probably slide tackle you are doing it maliciously.
Oh, I mean, I call this car
Right.
fucking grow up. It's shit as it sounds. I try to treat everyone the same if they commit a crime.
don't think he liked my stance on the situation.
No, because he knows he officer knows he fucked up. Like, he's fucking fucked. This is why I shot this fucker twice in the face. Because he did shit like this to friends I knew.
Yeah.
And he wonders why he's hated. It made me do it all over again.
Like I said, a lot of it situationally as well.
Hi.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Aw, let's go. Yeah.
Come on, you should have known. This is my iconic move, Natalie.
Uh-huh. That is fine. Hi. Can I help you?
The bird is the word.
You Tom Selleck looking motherfucker.
Okay,
What?
knock off.
Is that not a true fact?
Well, yes, but I don't
Knock
have
off
a
Tom
lion,
Selleck?
Okay.
Even though Tom Selleck's but again, that's an insult to Tom Selleck, to be fair.
I wish I was Tom Selleck. That guy's back in the 80s.
He pulls.
Anybody with a fucking handle fucking bars, I call Tom Selleck at this point. To be fair, minus the mullet. If Bullet could have a mullet and some similar hair to you, I'd call him fucking Tom Selleck.
Wow.
Bucket.
I don't know, man. I think Bucket's too handlebar-ish. Tom Selleck was more refined for facial hair.
Yeah. What? Oh, the suit's out. Rodney's in action.
Right.
All your actions, should I say.
Okay. Can we just talk about the shoes?
The trainers.
Listen,
in case they need to run.
I don't like classy shoes. They make my feet hurt.
Hey, cha-cha.
Hi.
Good.
That's the reason why I got tennis shoes. I'm a lawyer for the people, you know.
And if he needs to run for everything, there he goes.
No, I see you got some Crocs like fucking Snowy will, yeah.
Yeah, but he's got an advantage with his prosthetics.
These Crocs are just for grip. My feet never get cold.
Yeah.
The thing is, though, he's got the racing straps on as well.
Yep.
Yeah,
He's
he's
got more
got
than just
sport mode.
He's got more than just sport mode. He's got a boost with his prosthetics.
Go inspect that gadget.
Charlie, I'm gonna say you should be able to give more information on prosthetics. You're the one that installed them.
I can barely see.
She installed mine.
I don't know if Snowy actually told you, or if you remember. But when I looked at the paperwork, your name was signed at the bottom when you were over in Vice City.
Yeah,
I'm
because
trying to see my feet.
Yeah, she's in Vice City.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, Charlie's done mine. Charlie's done yours. Charlie's a good medic.
Yeah, when it comes to it, we had to bring him. He came in the other day with bruising, swelling, rashes to his nubs.
Well, that's going to happen.
Oh yeah. So we had to treat it with a trainee, and then on the paperwork, when I saw it, when we looked at the paperwork for the prosthetics, I just wanted to check them. Your name was there.
Yeah.
I got Vicodin.
Yeah, well, that's what Vatican isn't that old special. Let's be honest, it's just a pain relief.
It makes you trip bollocks.
I and also done loads of surgery on Riley.
You have done loads of surgery on me.
Oh, is it Robo Riley now?
Well, I mean, I've got.
It's your hands.
I got my hands. She's done surgery on my eye. She's done surgery on my leg.
Lips.
My lips. My ear.
But
Ghost cut it off.
I'm gonna say if she don't work on your eye, how come you still got one eye then?
Because it was the other one.
Oh, okay.
No, it was. It was the eye that I see out of right now.
Yeah.
This is not my original eye.
Yeah. Well, I've got a prosthetic in.
It was a donated cornea. Donated eye.
Yeah, it was 100% a donated eye.
Yeah. Oh no, you have to remember we get cadavers donated to us for science all the time. As long as long as they're viable donors. What do you think?
Yes,
What do you?
the eye that I see out of right now, Mike Franks, that is looking very straight at you is a donated cornea, donated eye.
Donated eye, yeah.
If I ever lose an eye, I want like a Mad Eye Moody type eye.
No, you ain't get one of those. Okay, we're more advanced than that.
Yeah.
We're more advanced than that.
What the fuck do you mean? That shit can see through wooden dolls. Like imagine how
Yeah.
loaded that would
So
be.
yes, I spent what, about 3 weeks blind? Is
Yeah.
that?
And plus I could see out the back.
Well,
So
you
basically, he wants to be the guy from Pirates of the Caribbean with the wooden eye when he takes it out and like.
Oh, that? Yeah.
I want to be Mad Eye Moody from Harry Potter.
Anonymity does the same thing.
I don't know. Well, you've definitely got enough weight for him.
Uh-huh.
Oh, the skinny guy who has the
Hey.
wooden eye.
Be nice, Nat.
I'm having fun. Come on.
He's like.
We don't have many foot chasers up here in the county.
Listen, I know we
I
got
can tell. Let me guess. You got a freshly
bags
baked pie in there,
here,
yeah?
If you guys want to, go back to our original radio.
Oh, sorry.
Yep. I'll be on there shortly.
But shouldn't
Okay,
he,
so he's
shouldn't-
at least
shouldn't
here.
his-
Okay.
I'm gonna say, but shouldn't his lawyer be present in that conversation, Charlie?
No, that's a PD deal. That
Okay,
has
okay.
nothing to do with me at that point.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I mean, Dan's not even clocked on, so if he wants to speak to me, he'll have to come upstairs.
Alright, I'm back on this one.
Hmm.
So, I just let them speak to one another. Just, privacy.
Well, and yeah, at some point, I
Checking
suspect
my
they'll look at your body
if
cam.
there's none here, then I'll go with Biden.
Yeah. And that's what I'm
Guys,
saying.
we got like
But
500 or
it's also
600
enough
of
to-
them here,
everybody knows
but
now that PD
I don't know how many we'll
have to have
need.
body cams rolling and everything. Bro.
Yeah, I don't know
So-
how many you get for one tray.
It's easy to find out anything and everything
Do what?
from a PD perspective.
Don't know how many you get from one tray.
I think it's 30 per tray,
I have 350.
if I remember right.
It's just an argument, though, isn't it?
Yeah,
We'll
well,
just keep track of what we
just
use.
see what
If we
happens.
need to
See what
replenish
happens.
the club stuff, we can do that later. No biggie.
Oh, what was
Yeah,
that?
I've got 357 over here.
Is it one tray is 30 back, right?
I think it's more than that. I'm not sure.
I'll see once I get done with this round of growing.
Yeah, I've got 350 bags here, and if we use any of the fingers, then I'll just go and buy more.
Okay.
Let's see, I arrest someone.
Alright, I'm gonna take a little trip on the thing so I can actually see things.
Let's see, I.
Come on. This has gotta work. Okay. Oops. Nah, we're just gonna be... Alright, just gonna go with it.
I don't know. Right, oh, there he is.
Are you guys gonna come down, please, and so we can get this figured away, please?
Hi,
Where are you
Dan.
going?
You wanna know what
Yeah.
happened?
He gave me a rundown. Like I said, I'll look into it. You know, if it's playful act, you know, it is what it is.
It was
Fine.
playful. I
It
mean,
was a
we were all
playful
fucking
act.
joking
Yeah,
around.
playful act.
Yeah,
There's
I
five-
get that.
There's like 5
but-
other people there, and we were all joking around.
Yeah, I get that. But yeah, you gotta understand at the end of the day, he did slide tackle a cop.
I mean, after
No,
Mike Franks,
I'm not
you know.
saying.
It's not so
I mean, I can tell you exactly what happened.
Are y'all not gonna go downstairs and figure this out? We can't have him in the cells for 30 years. No, you go down there. I'll be down there in a second. All right.
command can get involved, because the last time I got involved, before a member of command got involved, my ass got turned into minced, garlic. So, and at the same time, I mean, do I think it's kind of being based on what I've been told? Like, he got baited into it as well. Like they were, as you say, playful banter back and forth, but he did do something that prescribed a response.
Yeah.
Which, our job, a cop's job is to de-escalate, not escalate.
No, like I said, I'm looking into it, so
Yeah, I
we'll
mean,
we'll
in this
figure
case,
it out.
one of the main reasons why I was like, call a command member, because at this point, I mean, he has a body camera on. You can review the body camera and see yourself. Whoop, Mike's calling me.
Yeah, if you want to head down there real quick, we can finish. We can get you ducking down there.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey, Dan.
Oh,
How's it going?
you sound knackered.
No, my throat was killing me all day, so.
I get you.
Dude, can you let your throat rest, okay? Seriously.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm just trying to think how we need to go about this.
Well, maybe just start with the body cam and go from there.
Yeah, so from the body cam, know that there was 5 of us there. We were all joking around. We were fucking around with Mike. Frank's just fucking around with us. It was playful banter, and then, quite literally, when it first started, it was back and forth. Ben made the comment about, don't do it again. And Ben tried to do it. People were in the way. Franks walked out into the middle of the thing so that he could do it. And then once Ben did it, he then arrested Ben, said he's getting put in timeout. Fully arrested him, placed him in cuffs, placed him in the car, and said he's going in timeout, and then drove away.
Okay.
And we're sitting here going, what?
Yeah.
We were literally just
I
joking
didn't even
around.
want to say that he was arrested.
Yeah, like nothing. Just it's, you're just, it was basically just, you're going in timeout.
All he said is, I spoke to the police officer in a joking tone and said, you're coming for a timeout, and chucked him in the car and drove out.
Yeah,
So-
I definitely need to see the body cam. Obviously, I am gonna see it. So,
Yeah.
it's more so as of right now. I mean,
Yeah, which, like I said,
playful or
imagine
not.
our shock. And it was just like,
yeah.
but they were both
I
playing
know.
back and forth, which is why we were just
Yeah,
like,
I get that.
the fuck?
But we gotta think about it, playful or not. Franks might have played along with it, and
goading him into actually doing it and then arresting him when he did.
Yeah,
Which is the very definition of entrapment.
I get that. I know.
I mean, I'm just saying it how it is, but I'm just
At the
like,
day, friendly or not, a crime was committed, but to the extent of the crime, or it still needs to be proved a little bit more. So.
Yeah, but if a crime was if a crime was committed, obviously as you say, but then it also depends on the circumstances leading up to it. In that sense.
yeah, because if I'm gonna be honest with you, Dan, how much of the shit that everybody does on a daily basis to each other can be classified as a crime, and how many of us would be in jail because of it if we were gonna take playful banter and just fucking off and having fun.
Yeah, but at the same time,
a
how many
crime.
of you guys are sly tackling officers while they're on duty? So, off duty is a different scenario, and I know that people are joking around, but it's just like, because what's it called? I just don't want a double standard getting out.
Well,
so.
no, it's where's the fine line between fucking around and, a crime, an actual crime is being committed. But that is 100% true that Frank's literally stepped out away from all of us so that he could actually do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back in there. I'll be out shortly. All right.
Yep.
I'm gonna whisper this, and I hope this won't be true, but Dan's doing that somewhat seemed a bit more fair recently. But maybe because he lost somewhat earlier, he might try and look for a scapegoat.
Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's gonna show that Mike Franks literally stepped out from all of us and let Ben do it.
Yeah,
goaded him into doing it, which is the definition of entrapment. You're goading somebody into doing a crime.
Not to do it.
Yeah, did Mike Frank say anything to Ben before he did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, yes, it's one extreme to another, but if there was potential baiting leading up to it, that should be seen. And then there's clearly not necessarily motive to slide tackle, but at least there's always going to be a response in that sense, isn't there?
I mean, it's just gonna be like, we can't just fuck around with cops anymore, you know? Like, we can't just... I mean, not side tackle them, but you get what I mean. Like,
yeah.
and I'd be able to poke a little bit of fun. You know? Fuck.
My problem is, though, with the charge itself, if it's obviously it's assault on a PD officer, which I'm pretty sure is still technically a felony, or I could be wrong, which will be, that won't be good for them.
No, it's not a felony.
It's an
just
assault.
a fine.
Fine, is it?
Fine. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fine.
But is it not different when it comes to an officer in particular? If
No,
an officer's involved?
it would have been just a fine.
Yeah, all Franks had to do was just issue fucking Ben a fine. He didn't have to arrest him.
Oh yeah, no, I agree. I'm just saying, I thought if this charge is to be brought, but it would be, because there's an officer involved, it would be a bit more serious than just a normal.
No, it's he said
Okay.
it's a fine. It would have been a fine, but no, it's a misdemeanor.
I don't feel like a refresh in my head. Yeah, that's why you see whip off the fucking thing behind us. I don't know. Like, this is insane. How we went from 1 minute we're all laughing and having a good time to the next Ben's in jail and what the fuck? I know you're all thinking it.
Well, yeah, we think a lot of stuff, don't we, though? That's the problem. Sometimes. I'll speak a bit louder now. It's too bad I've got a random thought that I kind of want to pack on up to the top of this building, see how far I can get up. That window's weird. Very rare you see windows like that, like the kitchen window up there. There's kitchen because there's like pots and pans up there.
I don't even know.
Definitely a different weird window. Like it
It's
goes
a
up, but then there's not enough room to go up.